Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 479. XRP to the moon and Bitcoin stagnating. Crypto technical analysis. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're the one to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord, links in the description. Thank you guys for being here. Hope you're having a great Saturday night. Hope you're enjoying it. It was a really good night for me. Todd, hi, thank you for being here. Jake's XRP is lame. I pumped a lot. Just satisfaction, let's go. Yo, Adil Patel, Ethereum, sure, it's already on the list. Hi. Virat Kem. Better get your Doge. I remember episode 479. Yeah, thanks, Bitcoin. That's just a joke coin, yeah. I'm getting better at remembering the episode. Yeah. What up, people? Pedro Carancho, hi. Buenas noches, good evening. Yo, XRP pump and dump. Yeah, we'll talk about that. Bitcoin, sure, we're gonna talk about. 1 inch killed. Ooh, that's not good. What's up, Bernardo? Hey, CryptoCat lover, how's it going? Thank you guys for being here, being awesome supporters. New site for target prizes, thanks. Sure, man, if you request it with the format that we have, I'll definitely check it out, right? Yo, Bring Facts, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Let's move on to our regular scene. And, yep. Store J, sure, man. What is Ethereum going? Well, we'll figure it out in a second, man. Nice shave. Nah, I just trimmed it, but thanks, man. Starting to get like really itchy, man. VT? Sure, man. Why not? Let's do VT. Let me get the list out here so we can update with the new ones. CRV got requested on the Discord, ADA, DNT. Store J and VT. Sure, man. Why not, guys? Rune. Awesome. Andrew, just, hey, how's it going, man? Just because it's you, I want to let it slide, but yeah. Thank you guys for being here. Let's start with the market cap and figure out what's happening tonight on crypto market cap. Somebody flew in yesterday into a cryptosphere. We managed to get over $1 trillion, which was really good, right? Yesterday we closed at $1 trillion. 1.008 trillion dollars, 1.25% to the upside. Right now moving down. Yeah. I just saved it, so it should be updated now. And today we're moving down slightly. Not a lot, 1.17%, approximately $18 billion down. High, low, positive, negative, high, low. We're really not creating anything else since they hit bullish. We're just more or less moving sideways, right? Philip, thank you for being here. Bitcoin dominance is 63.27% of market cap. Yesterday managed to lose a little bit of dominance, 1.02%. Today losing 0.18. That's good. It's giving some alts room to run. Where's Bitcoin at $33,859.13. Do I like that? No. At least we managed to move up yesterday, right? Which was fine. We're still rejecting the 20. I don't like that on the daily. I don't like the fact that we cannot get above and sustain above 34,483. I told you guys that is a critical area for Bitcoin to be at, right? So on that note, we did manage to close at 34,351, which is very, very close to our target. Right now, we're moving down on rejection of that 20. Potential targets to the downside, 33,309 and $33,090. That's for Bitcoin, right? We're not doing anything else on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hours, see what we get there, because the daily is just been kind of boring the last couple days for Bitcoin. Just satisfaction, talk about XRP. That's going to be, I want to check out right after Bitcoin, man. Right? So, checking out Bitcoin first. It's stagnating. It's part of the reason that XRP is running. You always look at Bitcoin first if you want to see what the rest of the cryptos are doing, right? So yeah, we'll check it out. Good evening. Very low volume on Bitcoin. An ominous sign. Interesting. On the 4-hour Bitcoin, what's happening, right? We had the bearish divergence, action to downside. We had it on the 1 hour though. Right, so here we didn't have anything. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Again, where are we at with regards to the fallen wedge? Seems like we falsely broke back into it. We're really trying to determine where we're going to go. But now we're struggling between, right, the fallen wedge resistance, now becoming support, and the 236 that's right here at 34,228, right? So on Bitcoin, I was thinking about doing something on another chart. And it's going to get to basically get different fibs out. And I think I'm going to go to this chart. It should be a little bit cleaner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some fibs here from the high point here, right, to the low point here. There we go. And that we're getting a retrace. We're hitting that 618 also. Look at that. Beautiful hit at that 618. Rejected. Now we're rejecting the 382 at 34,554. See how 34,530, 4,400. It's should be an area that is important for Bitcoin to get above, and we have failed to sustain it consistently. Let's see if Bitcoin can manage to move above that area. We're still above the 20 on the 4 hour, which is good. We're really not doing anything bearish. I'm gonna go to the this chart here and go to the 1 hour chart, and then we're gonna move on after this to XRP because you know. As the coin of the day, right? DVT went down. I'm not sure. I haven't checked DVT today. I'm really not worried about DVT because I'm in it for the long term on that coin, actually. I'm not on the traded day by day basis. It has a lot of things coming on behind it. So, you know, check out the graph, sure, man. One inch pumping, so it's turning into like a 2-inch chubby now. With whales coming at the last minute, we'll see. G Unit, are you in Bitcoin for long term? Yeah, but Bitcoin, I'm actually willing to trade more often, right? DVT, I'm actually willing to hold it more often because it has a lot of potential long term. Right now, you have good opportunities, right, to buy and sell short term on DVT for good small increases if you time it right. But the long-term potential of the project is like huge, so I'm really on that one, right? Plus 63% on 1 inch. Interesting. We're gonna check it out in a second. It is on the list. Cool, man. Cody, if Wells want to price lower, the lower re-manifestation. Yeah. Anyways, Bitcoin. Let's see what we're doing, right? High to low, positive is positive, high on the RSI to lower point. We don't have anything bearish here. If I go to the half hour, and which I'm gonna do, I do believe we might find some kind of divergence here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. So nothing bullish, nothing bearish, just moving sideways here. We're below the 20 right now. So again, hoping that Bitcoin can get its butt above that 20 moving average. On that note, let's go and check out the half hour chart. On the half hour, we were looking for this bullish divergence, which managed to play it out, right? That was the last thing we were looking at when we were live yesterday. At least last time we looked at here on the half hour chart. And the divergence that I was telling you that I was gonna find, it was from here to here, right? And that small pump on Bitcoin. And we didn't have it in the 1 hour, but I was pretty sure we're gonna find it here. Again, I haven't looked at the charts today. I haven't opened anything except for the prices. And that's the only thing I found, like, you know, pumps and dumps, and that's it. Bearish divergence, action to downside, low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Nothing super bullish right now, just short term from here, from this low to this high, right? Higher low. We seem to have this hidden bullish divergence, short potential action to the upside, right? We had strong bearish, it's moving us down, hidden bullish, trying to put some pressure there to stall. It could get us to move sideways a little bit more. Right now, 33,975. Like I said, Bitcoin should be better. above 34,438. Let's see if we can get above that level and sustain, right? We're there briefly today, and I was really happy when I saw that. I was looking at the price, and I was like, yeah, it's above 34K, 34,400. Now, so it'd go back down. I was like, yeah, it kind of sucks for Bitcoin. Anyways, that's it for Bitcoin. Let's go check out XRP because, it's pumping. The false flags. Sure, man. Link. Yeah, why not add link? It's on the list. Yo, Carthago, good evening. How's it going, man? So we know where Bitcoin can go, right? I'm moving to the upside again. 34,438 will be resistance. The 20 right now will be a resistance at 34,182. And I'm moving to the downside, 33,309, right? That's where we're looking for support. Let's see what Bitcoin manages to do right now. Aren't you watching? We're only 24 likes. Yeah, dude, what's up with that, right? If you like what we do, hit like the bells and subs. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to XRP, man. See what's happening there, right? XRP, apparently, it's pumping on speculation, right? And that's something that we gotta admit. It did have some bullish divergence last night. We talked about it. There was a potential for action to the upside. We even talked about that. But it is pumping on speculation, and we got to be clear about that, right? About setting up proper expectations, right? Look, higher, nothing bearish here, nothing bearish here. Whatever bearishness we had on the daily, it got rid of it, right? With the massive pump that it took today, it was really insane. It did pump 56%. At some point in time, it did hit around 51 cents or something like that. So it's okay, right? XRP is not doing that bad. XRP is still dumping. Yeah, well, it's called pullback actually, but yeah, it pumped on speculation. Apparently, China is now betting on what project is going to get pumped next, and that is what's helping to get the XRP price to like take off, right? Thoughts on the Monday XRP pump? What Monday XRP pump? Are we setting up for a Monday XRP pump? Do you have an article for that? Neo, sure, bro. Oh, it's Jake. Yeah, sure, Jake. We'll do that. Dude, all day, bruh. You bought 3K of Bodger at 70. Awesome, bro. That's pretty cool. Neo. Was a planned pump on Reddit? Yeah. Yeah, see, there's a lot of things happening that where socials are starting to influence the price, and that's when technicals tend to go out the window, because you can have bearish divergence, but if people are getting together to pump an asset, there's really not a lot you can do with that, right? So they're pumping it, right? If they're gonna pump it, they're gonna pump it. That's it. I'm not sure about what's gonna happen on Monday. We'll see when Monday comes, right? Yeah, it's fine if they want to pump XRP, Apparently, everything now is related to Wall Street bets, right? Telegram group has 115,000 members. Yeah, it's fine, man. I mean, if people get together and pump an asset, there's no technicals that are going to save us from the pump not happening, right? I mean, still has bad news. There was some kind of bullish news, right? XRP did reply to the SEC yesterday. And but that was Friday, right? And they did summon they asked for the Bitcoin papers and Ethereum papers as well. There is some bullish stuff to it, but yeah, they did go on the offensive. Now there's a lot of weight on the SEC to provide some stuff. We'll see. All right, but if they're gonna pump it, they're gonna pump it, right? There's no point in me telling you it's not gonna happen. I mean, we can find bearishness if we want to look. We had bearish divergence. We talked about potentially on the 1 hour getting to this level, right? Even to this level, 32 cents. And that's something that we talked about yesterday, where we could go. I wasn't sure we were going to go above 32 cents. And if you look at that, the next 4 hours, right? By 2 in the morning, 2 to 4 in the morning, we just gotten there rejected. And that was the target that I called for. All this is just speculation that started to build around the market. So that's fine, right? People are probably buying it because if people are saying they're going to pump it on Monday, they're driving people right now because they're going to expect a pump on Monday. Whether or not the pump comes it becomes one of those self-fulfilling prophecies that, oh, it's pumping because people are saying they're going to pump it, right? So people are going to go into it with the expectation, whoa.
Happy Saturday evening. Made some good profits today. Thought I'd share a little love. Cheers.
Yo, Todd Pierpoint, thank you very much for the awesome $10.20, man. I really, really appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you for the awesome tape. I really appreciate that. There we go, man. I'll even give you 2 1-ups. There we go, man. Thank you very much for that, Todd. I really appreciate the love and support, man, to the channel. So, something I was telling you on XRP, it's not going to matter whether or not we have variations. Like, if people are expecting that this is going to get pumped on Monday, people are going to start buying it just on that, right? Because they want to get set up for the Monday pump, so they're already pre-pumping it, right? So all this news, like we have bearish divergence, whether or not we're going to play it off of it, still yet to be determined, right? Look at the 1 hour. We're coming up higher. Right now, we're starting to pull back down. That's fine. But we do have strong bearish divergence in XRP. But if the pump's going to come on Monday, it's not going to matter. Right? Strong bearish divergence, potential correction to the downside. Leave this even here. High to low, right? Welcome to the hyper feedback loop in the evening bubble. Monday will be insane. Yeah, we'll see. Legendary, bro. Yes. Stunkatone, what's up, dude? What platform am I buying XRP on? I'm not buying XRP on right now, dude. I'm like, I don't buy when people are talking about pumping an asset. I might be done for doing that. I just don't believe it's the right thing to do, right? If people are agreeing to pump something and then dump on other people, at some point in time, people are going to start taking profits. It's just not how I want to do trading, right? I mean, that's not how I don't want to make my money at expenses of other people suffering on a programmed pump and dump. Or like, are people hyping it to do something, right? I do have ethics and I like to stick with that. I'll make it the hard way by trading. And like I said, it might be dumb. People might be actually willing to, screw other people or have other people suffer by taking their money by buying right now. Maybe get that Monday pump, sell high when people are buying up there, however high it goes. And that's fine. It's just not something I'm into. So I don't like it when people get together to pump stuff. I've been playing off the GME, but I've not let it ride for a long time, right? Not GME, well, a little bit of GME and a little bit of AMC, but not a lot, right? And that was different. That was against like the hedge funds, not against people, right? In crypto, you're going against people, not against hedge funds. So things like that, I don't like that, right? Yeah, just fear most will be left holding back. So yeah, some people are going to end up paying for the broken plates, right? That's just how it's going to happen. Yeah. So like when people are pumping it, things get screwed, right? Things become muddled. We don't know where things are going to go. Right now we're coming back down. That's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, right? Nothing bullish right now. By the time we get to the 20, we might be creating some hidden bullish. Try to hold there, right? We'll see. Philip, dude, if you need a request, please just follow with that small format. Dude, bring facts. I am dying to use something. I think I'm going to use it in your comment. Dutch, some Dutch holders still don't know just what happened to them long term.
Yeah, well, that's just like your opinion, man.
Yeah, I wanted to use that from the dude, Lebowski, man. I was putting new sound. I didn't even put that many soundboards, but like 3 more sounds to the soundboard. I'll try to see if I can use them throughout the stream. Bitcoin sentiments going. We're going up again. Really? Did Mark Cuban just post that? Anyways, XRP moving down might go to that 20. That 20 being at 37.84. If it still moves down, it's going to go to 37.04 and then moving down again from there. 32.76, right? GRT is already in the list. XRP won the Fab. Awesome, Alonso Morais. Still at 33,900, dude. I'm not sure Bitcoin's going up that much yet with Mark Cuban posting that. We'll see. It's like everyone that's influential now on social media going to go and like start posting random coins just to see whether or not they can get them to pump. Like see who has more influence in the market. You'd rather be the guy that bought in at the Series and sold at Series A, went further one. Yeah. And look, it's not only that, but I would rather just buy right now, for example, something that I believe in it And then, you know, whenever it pumps to where I need to pump, get out of it, then, like, you know, going in on an organized pump, and then you get out and then someone else gets screwed. That's just not cool. Twitter. Awesome. Send me the tweet on Discord. I'll check it out. Ping me on Discord and send me the tweet and I'll check it out, right? Anyways, Ethereum. What is up with Ethereum on the daily? Right, so we had bearish divergence back here. We failed to go higher in the previous high, thus, you know, we still have that bearish divergence. Nothing bullish. Sitting at or close to 1,387. Right now at 1,362. And still on that channel from 1,387 to $1,292. That's the channel we're in. That's the channel we've been for the last couple days. So really no news on Ethereum. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what we're doing there, man. Hello, positive, positive, high, low. Great. Nothing bearish. I think we established that yesterday. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Neutral at 53.07. Not a lot happening with Ethereum. Let's go here on the 1 hour chart and see what's happening here, man. Have we created something on Ethereum? I'm actually going to zoom in, and I doubt we're going to have something negative, less negative, right? And, you know, low, high. Great. Not a lot happening here. High, low, positive is positive, high, low, low, high, negative. There's really nothing going on with Ethereum. It's just like, you know, floating sideways, determining where it wants to go. And right now, the only thing I would be looking at would be, and I'm going to ignore that area there and just go here for a triangle formation. Symmetrical, which could break either way, right? We're really not getting any good information out of Ethereum. It's just, it could break either way. We're moving sideways. Boundary bands are still a little bit expanded, but not too much. Really not even tied for like them to channel, but just like indecision, dude. Indecision. That's what we're saying, right? It could go up, it could go down. It's not being clear. We're below the 20 on the 1 hour. We're above the 20 on the 4 hour. We're not getting any clear reads on the market. Even on the daily, we're not doing anything. So, waiting for Ethereum to do something. All right, so Ethereum, again, I wouldn't get my hopes up right now. Just waiting for it to decide where it wants to go. Neutral. 48.43 again to the upside. First target would be the 20 at 1,364, then 1,387, and then 1,420 to the downside 1,292, and if we break there 1,261. That is it for Ethereum. Again, not a lot, right? On that note, let's go and check out Litecoin. The Litecoin at $132.40. Great. Is it doing something? I think it's going to be doing a Bitcoin. Strong bullish, a hidden bullish divergence. Section to the upside. Went up, hit that 20, rejected, moving sideways right now. Between the previous high at $146.65 and $119.94. So 132.40. Not a lot happening on the daily. The 4 hour. Had the bearish divergence, right? We were called that when we were here live, right? Moving down, trying to move up a little bit now. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Neutral 48.21. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, right? Hidden bullish, taking that small movement to the upside. Great. Are we doing something bearish? No. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Now let's zoom in here, see if in the short term we have something. And that short term is just the last couple hours, right? High. And then you can see that this is slightly lower. Positive is positive. And are we going low to high? Nope. 54.41, 54.02, slightly less. It's not a lot going on with Litecoin. Again, same indecision, right? Tightening on the boundary bands a little bit. Not a lot of tightness, but tightening nonetheless. And it's just sideways motion, right? Look at this. We've been in this channel, right? From 146 to 119 since the 20th. So we've been there for almost 10 days. It's just moving within that area. Really trying to figure out where we're going to go. The only good thing that's coming out of this is that we are creating Dodge to Tether. Great, man. Sure. Video console. We'll put it on the list, dude. Not sure. Did I miss any other quests? Maybe. Thoughts on Coinbase as a buying trading platform. GUnit, it's fine. You know, if it's your onboarding ramp, that's fine. You can always go to other exchanges, do other things, but it's entirely up to you. Making sure I haven't missed anything here. Nope, that's it. Hey Nav, how's it going, dude? Thanks for being here.
What's up?
Dodge, gonna put in the list. Yeah. Coinbase, you know, you can always go to other exchanges to buy other stuff. So Coinbase is fine for an onboarding RAM. It has some okay coins. Trading it's okay in volume, but you know, it really depends whether or not you want to trade there. For me, it's I go to the other exchanges. I have access to Binance International, so I tend to go there sometimes, even though I don't like it that much. No, XRP is not in bearish divergence. Well, yeah, it is in bearish divergence on the 1 hour. Kron, thank you for asking, bro. Bitcoin's over? No, not really. Cut the book, Raphael.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
Yeah, exactly. That's just your opinion, man. I don't think Bitcoin is over. I think Bitcoin still has a lot of potential. What do I think about XRP? I'll just already cover it, man. It was the second coin I looked at. I'm going to go back to it on a recap, right? Because we're going to be recapping XRP. I'm going to run the first recap after CRV. That's going to be coin number 7. And every 7 coins, I'm going to be doing recaps, right? That one's super quiet. The one from the dude? I'll have to check it. I mean, I might have lowered the volume too much on that one. But I can fix that, no problem. I'll go with that. See if that sounds better. Anyways, there we go. I'm the Elon Musk of lurking. Can you buy XRP in the US? Yeah, I think with I think you can buy XRP on Uphold. So yeah. Huh. Yeah. Keep going. Litecoin. What is happening with the Litecoin? Did we finish it? I doubt we've done it. All right, hidden bullish, just like Bitcoin. Again, bearish divergence, moving down, trying to hold on to a 20. Yeah, we already established that Litecoin is on this channel, right? From here to here, so that's fine. Not a lot happening with Litecoin short term. High, low, positive, high, low, right? That's it. Let's move on to RSR. VT, yeah, it's already on the list. It's at coin 11. Coinbase dropped XRP, yeah. Look, that's fine. You can be a realist. Bitcoin isn't a parabolic advance. We already established that plenty of times in this show. All bull trends have pullbacks. Still dropped 40%. It happened in 2018. Actually, go look at the chart for 2018 prior bull run. Around 2017, we had a drop of about 40%, right? Before it actually pumped back up to all-time highs. So it's right around the same time that we're getting this one on this parabolic advance. And we haven't even dropped that 40%. We're still within that parabolic advance curve. But again, dude.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
I hope that one went out a little bit louder. I mean, I'm not sure how loud that's going out to you guys, but it's entirely your opinion, man. That's fine. You can give your opinion. That's the whole point of the channel. But, you know, I do believe, I do disagree with you on that. Yeah, but in prior Bitcoin run, Bitcoin wasn't also worth 20K. Cut through. Look, dude, just so I can like get it through, I'm actually gonna go and look at it. America the Infidel, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Before I actually move on to RSR, and just so that Caught Dubuque Raphael can check this out, because he's a non-believer of what we're talking about. Let's get this on the weekly. Let's go on log scale. Let me hide the Bollinger Bands. Right, look at this. The previous bull run, right? Bitcoin had never hit 20K. Look at what Bitcoin did. Oh, we're climbing also happy and merry. And guess what happened here, right? Look, we're up here, impulse down, move sideways for 3 weeks, and then another drop. And look at what's doing here. From here to here, it dropped about, 40% or so, hit that curve, and I'm actually not even anchoring from the top, but it's a 40%, hit the curve, and pumped again to all-time highs at $20,000. You would have told me that case back then when this happened to Bitcoin, back here also, right? Dropping that amount, right? Back here on the run of, 2012. Oh no, we dropped, right? We pumped and we dropped 80%. Are you going to tell me that after all-time highs, we don't come and pull back 80% of the way? Look, it happened here, 84% of the way from high to low, right? On January 2015, look at what happened afterwards, right? We took that nice rally. Guess what? We got to all-time highs. From high to low. Oh my God, where are we at, dude? 83% from the high to the low, right? When we went to $3,000. Right? What's happening now? Oh, we're in this new parabolic advance. Where are we at on that parabolic advance curve? Right? How much is this time length? Right? Look, 1, 2, 3 bars, right? 1, 2, or 1 after it starts, right? 1, 2, 3 bars, breaks. Where are we at? 1, 2, third bar comes at the end of 2021. We've done it twice already, right? Dropped 80% after it violates the curve, right? And it's going to get there eventually, right? I do believe it has that potential. I'm not calling for an upward target. A lot of people ask me for targets. I'm just saying we're in a parabolic advance. Where can that target get us? Well, if we fulfill it, we could get to $320,000. $120,000 would be really good. But, are you telling me that this percentage gains and this percentage gains, look at how much it gained, right? This is on logarithmic scale. That means everything is equal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, we're in the middle, right? So we're when this is happening, right? This pullback sort of happening. And then we can keep on running up. It's there, right? And where we're at right now, I even discussed this earlier. You're just going to see the fibs. I'm actually going to have to shake off the fibs and send them back to the, get them out of the weekly. But look at this, right? Oh, remember how we talked about that move? One move down, right? And then 3 weeks and then another move down. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the 5th week, right? When we hit the bottom. Look from the high to the low. We're looking at about a 40% drop. Oh, magically it matches with what Bitcoin's been doing in the past, the last couple times, right? You can be an naysayer, man, right? That's fine. I don't mind, but it's done it before, and I've shown this plenty of times, and I'm not the only trader that's talking about this. Actually, I got this chart from Peter Brandt. If you don't know who Peter Brandt is, and you're listening to someone else, go check out who Peter Brandt is. He actually called the Bitcoin top last time. He's calling Bitcoin top this time also. Go check him out. He's a smarter guy. He's been trading for like 50 years or something. So, go check him out. Then come back and go to whatever trader that you're listening to and tell them that, their ideas might be right, might be wrong. You might want to listen to a couple of traders, right? You might want to have an idea to the upside. You might want to have an idea to what's going to happen to the downside. That way you're prepared to whenever both things are going to happen. But if you're just believing on one idea and you're closing your mind to anything else that could happen with Bitcoin, good luck with that, dude, right? That's not how you do stuff in life. You have to listen to many ideas, then you got to make up your own mind. But, this is another idea you might want to consider for your decision. Putting weight on the weekly sequential. What? Bring facts, I didn't get your question. No, he didn't say it was topping out. He called the top last time, and he's calling for the top on his chart. I think it gets to 320,000 by the top, right? By the time it meets this channel that Bitcoin set, right? So by the time it gets up here and tops, is around 320,000. I don't think he's called an actual top, but he's stated that we're in a parabolic advance again. And I do believe that to be the case as well. We've talked about the parabolic curve that we're in before. I saw the Peter Brandt tweet. We've been talking about the parabolic curve and how Bitcoin just went parabolic. So yeah. American Infidel, itchy beard. Scruff skin would come making. Yeah, that's what I do. But I had to shave everything off, right? So I was getting an itch yesterday, and I was like, dude, it's time to trim it off. And I trimmed it off, and now it's like time to like start doing the whole grooming and maintenance thing from the beginning. Like my beard itches when it gets to a certain length. Maybe it's just the length that it's at that gets uncomfortable for me. Maybe I need to get like let it grow more, and I'll get used to it. But thanks, man. XRP gonna go high again? We don't know yet, Antonio. It's actually pulling back. It has bearish divergence. Some people are talking about that it's gonna get, pumped on Monday. So who knows, right? If it gets pumped, and if it's being pumped artificially, technicals are not gonna work. We call it the median phase. Ha! Yeah, I'm on the median phase. I had to shave it off, dude. I took it back a lot, actually. It's pretty cool. Your girls who pulls oil from the face, so use your beard oil, no itchiness then. Yeah, I know. I've been growing beard for a while, but I just like up to a certain length, it starts to get like itchy, and I just gotta shave it off. Like it gets uncomfortable, I guess. At first, when I started to let it grow, by this length, it was itchy, and then after a while, I think I lost that itchiness, and then like once it grows a little bit longer, it starts to get itchy again. So it might be just the length that it has that has something to do with that, but we'll see. I do comb it every day, and I have a small beard comb that I usually carry with me when I have it longer. Well, when I had it before. But that itch is there, right? By the way, guys, cheers. I'm actually having whiskey and Coke tonight. Maybe dry air? No, not here in Mexico City. It's not that dry. Bro, shout out from the 503. What's good with Ethereum? We just finished Ethereum, dude. I actually went back to Bitcoin because we had someone that didn't believe Bitcoin wasn't a parabolic advance. One flat earther was telling me that Bitcoin wasn't going up. We just proved them wrong. Kidding, dude. It was not a flat earther. Let's go and do RSR, right? I'm moving through the list. I'll come back to Bitcoin and, Ethereum again in a little bit. For recap, so I had an XRP. Cheers. I'm not sure. Just not many people have been hitting that like. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Come on, help out the channel. Give us a like. I'm not even sure how many people we have live right now. But this thing will tell me in a second. What are we doing with the RSR, man? Starting to move up a little bit. Finally hitting that 20 and rejecting consistently. I don't like that, but it's going up at least 3.6 cents. Hidden bullish divergence, actually the upside. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. I repeat everything that I don't watch other YouTubers on crypto, man. I stopped doing that a long time ago, so I don't get influenced by what they say. And the only thing on the chart is what I found on, that chart is from an article that I read, and I believe that Peter Brandt is right. So that is fine, dude. Cut the book, Raphael. If you don't like what I have to say, that's fine. But, it is an open channel. Anyone can say whatever they want. And you're entitled to your opinion just as I'm entitled to your opinion. You can decide to hear it or not. Or believe me or not, right? If it goes higher, that's fine. If it goes down, it's also fine. I'll be wrong, and I'm fine with being wrong. I don't have a problem with saying I was wrong, dude, right? Right now, I'm telling you guys, I'm not sure if Bitcoin's going to recover or not. It can still go down and hit that parabolic place support and pump, right? But if we break that parabolic advance, that's it. It's done. It's going to go down, right? We broke the parabolic advance. That's it. Period, right? So I'm getting ready for both, right? If it goes up, I'm happy. And if it goes down, I know where to exit. That's it. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, hello. What are we doing here, dude? Are we going higher on RSR? Slightly higher. And hello also, right? So strong bearish divergence on RSR. Potential fraction of downside. Let's see if we can shake this off. Really would hate to see RSR to go down here again to 30.1 cents. I would really want to see this go higher. But for that to happen, I do believe Bitcoin needs to recover more. That's what stops? Yeah. caught here. We do watch for the upside and downside. I'm not a Bitcoin maxi by any means. I hold a lot of cryptos, dude, not just Bitcoin. But I do believe that it does have a lot of potential to the upside, and we know where the targets are to the downside. We have actually covered them at the beginning of the stream, but you know. High, low, positive is positive, high, low, right? So nothing here. Let's see back here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a tower point. I actually even hold RSR. I bought it a while back. So, yep. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish right now in the 1 hour again. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Yep. From here to here, we created some bearish divergence yesterday, but that was after the stream was done. And by this hour, or today in the morning, right? So we're going from here to here. And from here to here. For some hidden bearish divergence, we have it here also. Nope. And with that, we move down slightly, hit that 20, taking a bounce. So that's fine. Not a lot happening with RSR on the 1 hour. And just that bearish divergence on the 4 hour. It gets me worried about a potential movement down, but that's about it. Let's go to DVT, man. DVT, where's DVT at, dude? Oh, it did drop today. Who was it that said it was gonna dropping? Dude, 1.4, yeah, dropping about 20%. That's not good. But again, DVT has a lot of potential long term. Again, I'm not pushing the project, I'm not shilling the project. You guys know I'm part of their marketing DAO. I've discussed that. I've been doing DVT before I was part of their marketing DAO because I hold a sizable chunk on it. And ever since I got accepted into their marketing DAO, I've been disclosing that I'm part of their marketing DAO. But again, I'm not doing the project because I'm chilling it. I'm doing the project because I actually hold a good chunk of it. And I'm interested in how my holdings are doing. So you guys can decide whether or not you want to buy into this or not, but it's entirely up to you, right? Again, not pushing anything on anyone. Right, so DVT is creating, it's not low, high or low. So negative, less negative, right? I'm looking at this high here on the negative, and then here less negative. I was gonna go low, high, but still no hidden bullish divergence actually. Even against the RSI, even against RSI. So nothing bullish on the 1 hour DVT. Last thing we had was hidden bearish back here, right? From here to here and from here to here. So again, with that, potential fraction to the downside. It's moving down. Great. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. There's a Binance US. Yes, there's a Binance US. Right, high, higher, positive, less positive, right? We had bearish divergence here. High, higher, high, positive, less positive, high on the other side to lower point. Now we are coming lower, and we talked about the hidden bullish here a while back, right? We said, look, low to high. Then high to low. Right, and high to low as well. Hidden bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside or sideways motion. We're opting for sideways motion right now. And the small move it just took down here also, right? It just anchors it there. And even if you wanted to look at this with a little bit better eyes, you could always come in here and say, look, it's low, lower low, negative, less negative, and low on the RSI here at 38.09 to a higher point at 40, right? So low to high, strong bullish divergence in the short term for DVT for potential action to the upside. So again, not super worried about the project. Most of the movement down, we know what happened, right? Even that wick, that nasty wick here. It's one of the guys that held a lot of DVT, went nuts and sold everything. So he crashed the market on purpose. But I do believe the project's strong enough, and with the news that are going to coming out in the next couple of weeks, it should still be doing good. What's happening here? Low, high, dude, negative. Right, this is negative momentum here. It's actually at 0. So from here to here, it all reads at 0, by the way, right? And then I'm just exaggerating that a little bit, but then from here to here, right? So hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside on DVT, and that could bring us some stalling and maybe a reversal happening. Let's see if we can get that to materialize into action to the upside. With that being said, I'm gonna go over here again and do CRV. What's happening with the Honda CRV, man? Oh, we're not too much. There we go, man. It's hitting 382. Low to high, almost hitting that 382. That 382 should be about, let me zoom in here a little bit more. 2.89. Right now we hit a high of 2.87. So we're 2 cents off target. Yeah, for me that's close enough. High, positive was positive. And then again, creating strong bearish divergence near resistance. So we have that potential for action to the downside, right? That's what I'm looking at here, right? That strong bearish divergence. Then from here to here, overbought also, right? We're overbought at 73.13. So potential for action to the downside on CRV. Again, it's still in a bull trend. Chances of it not playing out are there. But usually during a bull trend, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out, but sometimes they do play out. So moving down would see us go to that 236 here at 1.91, and then here at 2.89. So with that, we are overbought on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. In the 4-hour, we're also coming to overbought. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to higher point. Nothing bearish. Do we create something bullish, low, high, negative, less negative? Yeah, here we had some bullish divergence, strong. Last time we had called for this was bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence for action to the upside. Right now we have strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? So this is going to be on the 4-hour chart, and we're going to go to this. Against the MACD, right? And with that, we're in that pump coming in, so that's fine. Strong bullish divergence moving up, great. Right now, overbought at 73.43. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. XRP moon because of what? Hype. That's it. That's the answer that we have, right? There's some news happening with the SEC lawsuit and the reply from Ripple, and people overhyping it that there's supposed to be a pump on Monday. So, that's that. If there's a pump on Monday, some people might, cash out and screw other people along the process. But hey, if you're up for doing that, kudos to you, right? So we're creating strong bearish divergence in the short term. Our CRV high, higher, high, positive was positive, high on the other side to lower point. Overbought at 72.30, right? Nothing bullish back here. Well, we're creating bullish here as we were coming lower. That's fine, yeah. From here to here, right? We got near support at 1.82. That don't look too good. There we go. Negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point, right? So with that, we're creating that strong bullish divergence section to the upside, moving up. Strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. Let's see if that's going to happen, right? Yes, sure, man. I'm not sure if I missed other coins. I haven't been looking at the chat often. I don't think I missed any coins. So EOS after Doge. Sure, it's on the list. Thank you, MA. Look, I like how you're saying that the SEC is not going to win. But you know who else was against the SEC? The SEC? YouTube, and they lost. And that's Google, man. You're talking about like a humongous company, probably bigger than Ripple. And they lost against the SEC. So don't underestimate them, right? It's not going to be an easy thing. There's a chance, yeah, Ripple could go out and win. But dude, if they really want to make an example out of someone, dude, they're not going to really care about the company that much. So who knows whether or not they're out for blood, right? If they're out for blood, yeah, that's that. Yeah, not sure. We'll see. Anyways, bearish divergence, action to downside potentially. That's it for CRV. That's all that we have. Again, if we manage to still go up higher, we're gonna have resistance here at 2.88, and if we move down, we're gonna have support at the 20 at 2.37, and then if we move farther down in that bearish divergence, we could be looking for a test of 1.91. Again, right now at 2.70, so that's awesome. Let's go to recaps. Bitcoin went against the ICC. Well, who represented Bitcoin? I'm not sure. Look, Bitcoin doesn't have a head, right? They cannot go after anyone. Ripple is a company. They're not going after XRP. They're going after Ripple. They're going after a company that has a head, that has a CTO, a CFO, a CEO, right? Ethereum doesn't have any of that. Well, it has Vitalik, but he's just a developer. But Bitcoin doesn't have anyone. So that being said, I think they're going after the company, not after the crypto, right? So if they want to make an example out of the company, they're going to do that. XRP is still going to be there, but, it's not going to have Ripple's backing or Ripple's, relations or all that stuff that was going on. So we'll see what happens, right? I do believe it's going to be like a little bit of an interesting lawsuit. We'll see what happens as it starts developing towards the year, right? Anyways, let's go check out Bitcoin. 33,992. Again, not really moving much. We don't have anything bullish or bearish. 30-minute, I think we're clear. We're having this hidden bullish. Trying to move up on that, but not really doing a lot. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum on the 1 hour doesn't have a lot going on. Again, just fluctuating in this area. Hitting that 20, rejecting. So rejecting potential resistance. And right now at 1,358. So not a lot, right? We covered this in detail earlier. Not going to go into detail unless you really request for a more detailed explanation of whatever we cover, and that's going to be towards the end of the stream then. Then look at GRT tonight. No, I just moved out of the first block. GRT is on the next block. It's actually the last coin on the next block. Thank you guys for being here again. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub, right? Uni? Sure, man. Filecoin? Sure, man. What's the ticker? Is it FTM? Not sure what the Filecoin ticker is, but if you let me know, I'll check it out, right? Yeah, if you, Alan, if you put in the proper request, I will. Anyways, let's do here. XRP, right? Bearish divergence, action to downside, starting to move down, getting closer to 20, pulling back up to 39 cents. Dude, a touch of the 20 would be really good, right? I'm not sure why it doesn't want to drop there, but hitting the 20 and bouncing would be showing support and bullishness, right? Right now, it could start to show weakness if it starts to rally from where it's at. BMI? Sure, man. First wave of recaps. Let's move on. ADA. Right on. So what's happening with ADA on the daily? Right, bearish divergence move down, hidden bullish, trying to take a pop, still rejecting 3702 and still within the channel, 3702 to 3388. So not a lot happening, right? It's not really going wild. It's not really having anything bearish right now. Just neutral at 59.12. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. ADA Steve, or in-house ADA evangelist in the house. Thank y'all for being here. Wi-Fi, sure, man. Monero, sure. I'm updating the list. Thank you all for being here, guys. I'm not sure how many people are in the house right now, but thank you all for the amazing support. And again, hit the like, the bell, and sub. Join us on Discord, right? Have a great community being built there. And so to see you guys here. DNT's already on the list. That's going to be coin number 9, right after ADA, actually. Right. Low, high, positive, more positive, low on the other side to hard point. Everything there was good. And just facing some rejection. I'm not seeing anything else besides the bullish divergence that we had here. High, low, positive, positive, high, low, neutral at 58.11. So it doesn't have anything bearish. The 1 hour might have something. And we'll see. Nope. Low, high. Positive, more positive. On the RSI to higher point. Coming down, trying to go back up slightly. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish, dude. It's just dropping. It's failing to stay above 37 cents. It's not strong enough to sustain that area, right? Seeing some weakness there. We just managed to pump and undo it, right? Pump and undo it in the next candle. So not the strongest looking. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point, neutral at 51.94. And again, we're still in the channel. Trying to hold on support at 20. That's good. So we can manage to get a pump coming in here. What's that, X-Stick? When the meme was wrong? What meme, dude? Yo, follow me. My last video shows the danger of Dogecoin investing. Awesome, dude. Great.
Nope.
Nope. No, we haven't done Star J, dude. It's gonna be coin 10 after DNT. Yeah, with that million Dodge, well, dude, you should know what to do with that. Here, I give you advice. Anyways, we'll see what's gonna happen here. Hitting that 20, finding support. Let's see what's gonna happen. That's all we have right now. Let's go check out the next coin, DNT. Why not? Again, it doesn't have a lot going on for it, right? So let's check out DNT on Binance. Oh, again, making a triangle on DNT. What? Let's go here, man. What do we had? Hidden bullish, action to the upside. We tried to rally, hit the 20, rejected, came lower. Fell to drop lower than the previous low, thus continuing on the bullishness and trying to move up slightly higher. Nothing bearish right now. Bought at 60.89. That's it. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Video console. I'm not sure if you're just trolling him or like being straight. So, DNT. Slightly higher here, right? Creating bearish divergence. Strong. For potential action to the downside, right? Moving down, hitting that 20. Can see what's going to happen whenever we hit there, right? We already hit, bounced, and we might be trying to hit again. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. I just got to confirm this one as being more negative. We have more negative. Oh, it's actually slightly less negative momentum, so that would give us some strong bullish divergence here. That could imply action to the upside, and that's what we got prior, right? So, great. Strong bullish divergence, pumping, creating strong bearish, moving down on that, finding support of the 20. That's great. Again, we haven't fibbed this because it's making highs, right? I think it was near all-time highs. We haven't made a valid retrace. Right. Oh, no, we have gone higher before. I'm not sure why we haven't fibbed this. From the all-time high, we should be doing a valid retrace, so let's go there, man. Go from high to wherever the low is. Just keep on tracking it here. I'm gonna zoom in a second once I determine where the low is, because it's just been tricky to find it. Should be working as a low. Great. So we're doing a valid retrace. We're hitting that 382 and rejecting right now, and very close to it actually, and holding support at 236 on DNT. Let's go to the 1 hour again. Bearish divergence moving down. Let's go to the 4 hour. Sorry, the 1 hour. We had that triangle formation happening, which again just can't break either way. It's on this indecision basically we're seeing. And let's see here, man. Negative, less negative. I think so. I'm just gonna confirm. 0.0157156. Yeah, slightly less negative. And then here we do have some hidden bullish, right? And as we're going from here to here, as we're going from low to higher low, action to the upside, going up, hitting that 20, rejecting, fell to drop lower on the previous low. As we're trying to remain bullish. But that is it. It's not really doing anything else that's bullish or anything else that is bearish since then. Just neutral at 52.15. And again, potential for break either way. That's where triangles get us, right? Could go up or down. Are you allowed to ask a question in the Discord? Yeah, you can ask whatever you want, dude. Anywhere. How am I allowed to ask questions on Discord? I'm not sure. You can ask questions, dude. Just type. If you need something from me, tag me and I'll check it out, right? Ave? Sure, man. I don't think it's on the list yet, so we'll put it there. Right, let's keep rolling. So we did AD, AD&T. Let's go to Store J, dude. Hey, Rune and Dell, how's it going? Thank you for being here. Much appreciated.
What's up?
Yeah. It's insane that social media is pumping projects. It's, you know, it's not good long term. Store J on the daily has some strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. That move down could very likely get us to that 20. That 20 right now, sitting at 39.38 cents. Right now, this project at 42.40. And what I'm looking at here is this move here and against the RSI also, right? And it's not the first time that it's had bearish divergence. It also had it back here. And with that, we're getting that potential move to the downside, right? E-gold? Sure, man. Phil? Sure. Why not? Which one's Phil, dude? Is that Filecoin? Sure, we'll do it, right? All right, so I wrote F's, so it should have been up here then. Right on. Let's keep rolling. Bearish divergence. Nothing bullish. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the side to higher point. Neutral. At 56. Can we fifth this? Yes. I'm actually going to throw a fifth through this. The high point. To the low point. I missed that low point by a little bit. There we go. There we are. Anyways, yeah, we're getting above that 382 right now, rejecting and starting to move back down. Could be trying to hit for that 20, trying to find support. If we drop there, we have support at the 236, which is at 0.369 cents. Let's go to the 4-hour chart for Store J. Short-term stuff. Let's see. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Great. Nothing bullish. High, high, high. Right. Some strong bearish divergence here for potential action to the downside. Against the MACD, not against our side, dropping down. Nothing bullish here. Taking a pump, high, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Short term, bearish divergence from here to here, right on a 12-hour span. We're in this bearish divergence for action to downside. And that note, we're seeing neutral at 43.99. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, look at how many times we rejected that 382, right? So consistently rejecting it. What I'm looking at here is what we couldn't find on the other one was this bearish divergence for the action to the downside and that rejection of higher prices. Well, guess what? It's coming from here. Just anchor this to the 1 hour chart. There we go. That note, high to low. And also, I think we might also be going high to low. 67.80 and 67.10, yeah. High to low. Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. Now let's zoom in here. We might have some strong bullish divergence. Make this larger. And, yeah. Look, even from here to here, right? Low, negative, less negative. And we're coming from high to lower high, right? So with that, we have that strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We're taking that small pump. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Neutral 48.40. Again, it moving up. Might get us to a 382 again, which seems to be a resistance we've been facing for on Store J at 43 cents, right? That's that. Yeah, by the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit like button, sub, right? Thank you all for being here, being awesome supporters of this channel. Store J. Let's go to VT. Let's see what's happening there, man. Sure, man. That's it for Store J. Let's move to VT, man. V-Chain. Here we go. When's this last time we looked at VT? Yeah, it looks like it. So let's go to the daily. And we're looking for hidden bullish divergence. We still manufacture it to here. Same candle, right? We'll make more of that negative momentum. And we also have it against the RSI by the time that candle closed. Right here, right? Strong bullish divergence, not strong, hidden bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside. We pumped, hit the 20. We're rejecting it. Failed to get above 2.8 cents and between 2.8 to 2.5. Right now at 2.7. Let's see if we can manifest this bullish divergence to continuous action to the upside. At least we're getting that stall, which is good, and neutral at 50.54. Not a lot happening for VT. Last time we were here, we're looking for that hidden bullish. We managed to get rid of it against the MACD, but we manufactured strong bullish against the RSI, which is much better than hidden bullish. So that we traded off hidden bullish for strong bullish. Action to the upside, hitting that 20, rejecting, found to drop lower in the previous low. That's getting continuation and trying to pump higher. High low possible is positive high on the RSI to a lower point. Nothing bearish short term. Might have something here on the 1 hour chart. We'll see. Neutral at 44.65. Again, still in that channel below that 20 moving average. We really want to get above that area and try to pump from there, right? That's what we should be looking for here on VT. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Dude, the 1 hour chart. Let's check it. It just looks really choppy. But we have strong bullish divergence, you know. Watch out for that. From here to here, right? Low, lower low. Negative momentum, less negative momentum. Against the RSI, we could even say that from here to here we have it, right? So strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Going up, hitting the 20 and rejecting it. Not the strongest move on VeChain. We really want to get above that 20. We're below the 20 on everything, dude, on VeChain. So we really, really want to get above that area and try to make it go and hit back to that 2.8 cent mark. Again, VeChain doing things not so strong right now, right? Here we had bearish divergence also, by the way. Just so you know what we had. Strong bearish divergence. In here, we also had it, right? Look, strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside dropped. And strong bearish divergence still. Dropping. First time we didn't have it against the RSI. Second time we have it against the RSI as well. With that, neutral at 48.24. That's it for VT, man. Someone said a double bottom, so I'm going to check out for the double bottom. All right. I'm not sure what time scale they were referring to. Someone, if you call a double bottom on VeChain, let me know what time scale it was, because I'm curious, right? VQX, sure, man. Why not? Quick second. Weird. Let's keep rolling. So it's a double bottom. I'm looking for it. I'm not finding it. So it's not on the daily. It's not on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. I'm not seeing it very clear. Yeah, no problem. DR and SPDR, DR and SPDR, dude. What's up with Alpha, dude? Not sure what you need. You just said Alpha question mark. Neutral at 48.48. Great. That's it for this, right? It's a double bottom. Where is someone calling a double bottom from here? You want this to be a double bottom? I'm not sure. Someone said double bottom, dude. CryptoK? No, dude. I don't think it's been requested properly. Have you done at the set of crypto alpha or not? Because I haven't seen it come through as like a proper request. So I tend to ignore everything that doesn't come that way because it could just be side chatter, like when people were chattering about, you know, XRP and discussing other projects. So if you really wanted to get my attention to a project, that's why this little thing right here keeps on popping up. It's at the state of crypto, right? TA double dot at the state of crypto. So it's all fine, man. No worries. If you just ask for it that way, I'll see it, and I'm sure that you're asking for a request. Otherwise, that's how I distinguish what's a request from, you know, just regular chatter. Like when you guys start talking about other projects, if I go to the chat, I don't see at the state of crypto. For me, it's just chatter. And if I see at the state of crypto something, then you got my attention, and I know you're requesting for something. So if you want me to check out Alpha, please at the state of crypto Alpha, and I'll put it on the list, man. No worries. Thank you for being here, by the way. Hope you like the show so far. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? It's all good, man. You know, this is that way we keep everything in order. We have a queue, right? Whoever requests at the state of crypto coin gets queued up. And, you know, we just go 30 spots. That's it. Right now, we're actually queued up to 26 coins. So only 4 more slots. Right. Let's keep rolling. Again, bullish divergence, right? Strong potential action to the upside. Someone saying a double bottom here. Not liking this a double bottom yet, right? This would also be lower, right? And you want a double bottom to be coming from an uptrend. You want to be coming like down, right? Downtrending from an uptrend to a downtrend. And create that W. This hasn't really gotten here. It could be within the percentage that we want to call it, but for me, it looks too dirty, right? It's 1.81% to the upside to the next low. And like I said, it looks dirty, right? XLM. Well, XLM's on the list, sure. Yep, it's on the list. Let's keep rolling. So that's it for VeChain, right? I'm not liking this as double bottom yet. On the 4 hour, I'm not seeing it as a double bottom either. Right, it's not quite here yet. It's really not looking too pretty for a double bottom. EMA is loading up on coins tonight. Great, man. So H floppies. Cheers, bro. Cheers, man. And to that, I'll say, I don't have actually something to say to that, but no quirky things. Cheers, man. Let's move on to Rune. While Rune opens up here, I gotta check something out here real quick. So give me 1 quick second, guys. Wow, a couple people live still. Thank you all for being here, guys. If you like what we do, you know what to do, right? Hit the like, the bell, and the sub. 85 likes and 132 people in the stream. Come on, you can do better than that. I know you can do better than that. Nicholas B.
What's up?
Thank you for being here. Right on. So Rune going higher, right? Nothing bearish here. It's just going insanely high, insanely fast. Again, going parabolic. Low, high, negative, less, low. There's a higher point. Really nothing bullish, nothing bearish from whenever he created bullishness, probably back here. So it doesn't really matter what we had back here. He just went parabolic. So we're caring about when it might crash. Do we have something to trace here? Nope. Not even fibbing because it's, high to low, and then, we're just going high. We're not making a valid retrace, so I'm waiting for this to start moving, right? Link pumping. Great, man. Uni hasn't stopped. Awesome. We're going to go back to Link in a second. No, we're going to get to Link at coin 15. So Rune, Yuma, GRT, and then Link. Any action? Well, yeah, we're trying to see if Bitcoin's going to hold on to some bullishness. Buy XRP now? I'm not sure, dude. It's entirely up to you. DeFi out of control. It's out of whack. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. See if we can find something here. Again, it's gone parabolic, right? So I'm not expecting to find a lot of things here that are bearish in the short term. Even here, look high. What is this, dude? 778. 775, slightly lower. Some bearish divergence starting to be here on the MACD, but again, not expecting a lot, man, right? One inch. Yeah, 1 inch has not been requested. There's been a lot of chatter about 1 inch, but no one's queued it up for analysis. So if you do add the Steady Crypto 1 inch, we'll put it up on the list, right? Again, this is bearish divergence I'm looking at. Potential action to downside. Right now, we're bought at 75.37 at 3.92. No, sorry, at 3.88. $3.88, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. They did? They do add this to the crypto? I might have missed it. Yeah, probably. When I'm doing this, sometimes I don't catch it here, but I'm not sure I have 1 inch here, so I'll throw it in somewhere. Somewhere on before XMR. We'll do 1 inch. So I'm not sure if it came through or not. I'm not sure when it came through, but thanks, CryptoCat Lover, for letting me know that. DGV, sure. I don't think DGV is going to be on the list yet. So one more request. That's it. We're almost filled on requests. So after Wi-Fi, I put 1 inch. Don't sure put Alpha on the list. Well, someone said it had been requested. Ethereum already down, so we go for a recap, Nicholas. Thanks for asking, dude. And recaps are going to happen right after your GRT. So, no need to queue that one. Let's just go through a recap. Thanks for asking for it, dude. Really appreciate that you're following format for me to know that you want to look at something there. There we go. Alpha going on the queue. That's it. No more coins. After Alpha. That gets us to 30 coins for tonight. We'll see when I get there how tired I am, but if I might open up the queue again, or it might stay closed. Who knows, right? What? Conspiracy theory? Kasi Isaac's in Aussie. That's pretty cool. Paul D's in Dubai. Thank you guys for watching from all over the world. We have such a diverse crowd. That's awesome. Right, so let's keep moving to Rune, right? There's bearish divergence, fraction to downside. Great. And from here, right? From here to here. And from here to here, we're like even building up a lot of bearish divergence. It just has some triggers strongly, right? I mean, it moved this down, but we're not as strong, right? So strong bearish divergence, moved down, hit that 20, pumped. Strong bearish divergence, moved down slightly, pumped. Strong bearish divergence, moved down, pumped. And now on this last bit, we're still creating strong bearish divergence, right? So we're going from positive to negative, and then from high to low. So again, the bullish trend, you know, bearish indicators has a lesser chance of playing out. And we know that, right? So yeah, we'll see. Right, let's keep rolling. Do we have bullishness? Hidden bullish here. That's the last bullishness we had, I think. At least that I can see. And then here we just went higher, negative less, negative low on their side to higher point. So yeah, that's it. A lot of bearish divergence we built, but really found the trigger here for Rune. Again, right, we're done with Rune. Let's roll to Yuma. Right. Yuma, look, we were looking for bearish divergence, fraction to downside. It's one of those things that because we had it, we kind of lost it. But now that I'll just track onto here. That tracks onto the negative, right? And then have positive to high to low on the RSI. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. We're already rejecting today that 50% retrace, which is at around $12.30. And right now we're hitting here at $10.83. Hold XRP. No one can tell you what you should do. Parks and land management. You should do your own thing, right? If you believe you should get rid of it, you probably should get rid of it. By the way, guys, thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit like the bell and sub. Make the stream be legendary. Right now we're bought at 62.05, and with that, again, potential fraction to the downside. Oh, Yuma. Let's get to the 4-hour chart. Higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Great. Bearish divergence hidden, right? High to low. And low to high. Also, if you haven't done it yet, join us on Discord, right? Cool crowd. That's where the cool kids hang out. That's where the crypto cool kids hang out today, man. All right, low, lower, low, and then negative, less negative. Low on the RSI, lower point. Again, strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Taking that pump, creating hidden bearish against the RSI. Might start to put some pressure on the price. It might do go down. We'll see when that happens. But again, if we're going to start retracing to that 382 at around $11.16. Might try to find support there right now at $11.66. So pretty awesome. Sorry, dude. I don't speak Korean, but thank you for writing something. Not sure what you meant. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Yuma on the 1 hour, bearish divergence, strong for potential action to downside, right? It is moving down slightly. We'll see if it wants to drop more. Again, immediate support at the 382 at 11.16 or 11.15, and then at the 20, moving average at 11.03. That's the only thing it has going on right now. Low, lower. We created some strong bullish for that run, which again, pretty cool. Let's see if we can hold on to that. Low, lower, low. Low to high, and do we have it here? Nope, low, lower, low. So that's fine. There we go. Strong bullish divergence against MACD right now. Strong bearish divergence against MACD and RSI for potential action to the downside. What? Korea. I know. I don't speak Korean. I like Korean food a lot. I like jjajangmyeon, dolsot bibimbap, kimchi bokkeumbap. I like what else, dude? Bulgogi jjigae, but you know, I don't speak Korean, bro. Sorry about that. I used to have a lot of Korean friends in the uni. Went to eat a lot of Korean food at their houses. It was really good, but that's as far as my Korean goes. The Korean translating. That's what Ripple, dude. I'm not sure. Ripple, we already looked at. I'm gonna do it on a recap after I finish GRT, right? So again, Yuma, some bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. We'll see whether or not that triggers again. Let's go to GRT, dude. The graph. Let's look at the graph. Off the graph. The chart of the graph. Oh, dude. Low to high. Well, first I'll go to here. I'll start on the 1 hour and move myself backwards on this one. Then high to low, right? So strong bearish divergence, extra downside move down. Then short term here to here. Strong bearish divergence still. Positive to negative. And high to low, right? Bought at 64.69. So again, potential action to downside coming in. We haven't created that positive momentum yet. We'll see what happens then. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. We do have a small island here that might be creating that hidden bullish, and I'm going to acknowledge it for this. So low to high. Then negative, more negative, right? So hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Moving up again on that, we're creating strong bearish. If we do manage to move up here on the graph, we have a target here at 70.76 on the upside, and if we reject, we have a target at 58.89. Finally, good to see the graph moving above that 58.89 area. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Dude, Korean, dude, I'm not sure. Like, the bot's gonna keep on timing you out, dude. I'm sorry about that, but I think the bot doesn't write Hangul. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside on the 4 hour. Here we had bearish divergence, move down, found support, taking a pop, great, nothing bullish, you know, just on a bull trend still. Right now, bearish divergence, we actually just pulled back down. We'll see if we still have it. It just went from strong to medium bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the downside still. Bought at 68.86. Let's go to the daily, man. On the daily, on the graph, we are creating bearish divergence strong also. Look low. High, higher high, right? And high to low, right? And forgot to anchor. Again, strong bearish divergence starting to be developed here. Keep under check, right? Make sure it's going to trigger. But right now, again, we're in a channel. We're above that 236, which is fine. Trying to get to reverse high. But right now, potential target on the upside, 70.76. If we reject, we're going to probably have support here at the 236 at 63.69. And if we drop there, target at 58.89. Those are targets, dude. Bibu, can I look at ADS? Sure, I'll do it on a recap because we just went through it actually at the beginning of this block. That's it for the graph. Recap time. Oh, you actually requested it just in time. Starting with Bitcoin. 33,998. Still below 34K on this 1 hour chart. Let's see if we can manage to get above that area. Still rejecting the 20, so not a lot happening, right? Since we last looked at it. Let's go check out Ethereum at $1,362. Trying to go up, but still also rejecting that 20. It's also not doing very much since we looked at it on detail. XRP, let's go check it out. That was the king of the night, right? Where's it at? It's trying to bounce a little bit. Yeah, you know, we were rejecting that lower price area. Would have been very nice if it would have come down here, but we have that hidden divergence. And now we manufacture hidden bullish. Look at this. Low, high. Make sure it's just going to be on the 1 hour. There we go, man. It wants to go everywhere. Why does this what does it do this every time, man? It's just crazy. And then from here to here. Great. So bearish hidden bullish, potential action to the upside. We're starting to get that bounce happening. Now let's go check out Shady A, man. $88 at 36. Nothing bullish right now. Nothing bearish. Just sideways motion, right? On that channel, 3702 to 3388. Still in that area, right? Haven't been able to sustain above 3702. So just did that small break. I actually ran out of juice. So I'm gonna go get more. Just give me one quick second. I'm gonna pour myself another drink. I'm gonna be right back. Thank you guys for sticking with me. And again, small intermission and be right back, right? Stick around. And if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub, right? And I am back. Thank you guys for sticking with me through that small intermission. Again, if you like the content that we're producing here, hit the like button and the sub, right? Now I'm drinking whiskey soda, man. Thank you guys for joining me tonight. I got tired of the Coke flavor after the first one. I really don't like Coke that much, so it's good. Missed info on live stream. What do you mean, Art Ningyok? I'm still here. It's still live. So, what do you need? Apostolic Mind. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated, bro. Todd, right now I'm actually on Scotch. Not Scotch. I'm on Irish. Jameson's. I usually drink it neat, but today I just want to drink it with something else. I do have some Chivas and I have some Glenlivet here. But yeah, I felt like, you know, like the first time I was drinking with Coke, I didn't mind mixing it. But Coke gets tiring after the first one, so I just went with club soda, right? So that's usually how I drink something when I mix it. Club soda. I'm not drinking that good whiskey, but you know, when I'm drinking good whiskey, I just go with neat or rocks. They've been there for the longest time, dude. Did I cut my hair? No, I shaved the beard. I actually reduced the volume of the beard. New lights, they've been here since Christmas, dude. They just like turn them on for the stream. Someone said I should be turning them on. Thank you. Congrats on almost 1.2.15. Are we really there? We hit 2,000 and change a couple days ago. But yeah, dude, thanks for that, man. I really appreciate that. Where is this, dude? I just changed some things here. I have to find out where they are. There we go, man.
Thank you very much.
Let me sure where we're at right now. We're at 2,140 a while back, so 2,142. Oh yeah, we've gone up a little bit. It's great, man. When we get to I look 5 years younger. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Only cool kids are allowed to have like and sub, yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I am, dude. I haven't had whiskey last weekend. I don't think I even drank anything. I just had beer for a stream or two, and that's it. So I hadn't had whiskey in like 2 weeks. So yeah, it's good. I like it. I enjoy it. Has Seamus made an appearance this week? No, we actually got a massive tip yesterday. I forgot to bring Seamus out. We need to have like a tip goal for Seamus, right? Like $50 and Seamus comes out. He's here, you know, just chilling, but hasn't really come out, dude, yet. It's like, oh, I want to come out, tip someone. It's just there. We'll see, man, right? It's there, so we'll see. Scotch whiskey for the win. Yeah, I like Scotch. I have a bottle of Scotch here, dude. I actually have a box right next to my streaming quarters, but I'm not drinking it right now. I'm cool with Irish, so tonight is Irish. That's why I have the leprechaun here. He's collecting dust. I know. 50 and Seamus will do tricks. I'm not sure Seamus can do tricks. You like añejo? Yeah, I like añejo. I like añejo and cristalino also, which is sometimes cristalinos are like añejos or reposados. It really depends, but they're good also when they're distilled. Like what is it? They distill them and they remove the color out of from the barrel, and they're just smoother also. So I like tequila as well. I moved from Scotch to añejo. Interesting. That's not sure how you're gonna deal with that. Hope you don't get a headache tomorrow. You moved from Scotch. Stay away from Dodge. Right. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to Link. Link. Oh, dude, I got someone PMing me here. Double V, what's up, dude? You're in your live stream. Great. Double V, I just saw your message, dude. I'm not gonna be able to reply to you right now. I have actually not gonna be able to read the whole thing right now, but 1,000 silver? We haven't looked at silver, man. Yeah, I noticed that. So, like I said, I'm not gonna be able to get through it right now. Let's move on to Link. Actually, I'm interested in Link. Someone said it's pumping, and I'm holding Link. Thanks to some of you that gave me an awesome Link tip. I hadn't bought Link. I resisted, and apparently now I'm holding some Link. A nice chunk of it. Not super big, but 5 Link from going 0 to 5 on a nice tip. That was really cool. So yeah. Tequila, awesome. You drank tequila, you end up fighting a tree. That is interesting, bro. That is interesting. I never fought a 3. Who won? Do you get more bruises or you get more scratches? Yeah, see, Soka has the same question. Who won? Let's go to daily, man. We had bearish divergence and we're in an uptrend. Like I said, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Yeah, we're balancing up a little bit, hitting that 20, finding support. Great, low, high, negative, less, negative, low on there, set to hard point. Nothing here. Even from here to here on Link, we created more bearish divergence. Can't remember when we looked at this last, but it feels to me like this should have been here. So probably the last couple of days we have not looked at Link. But it's more or less when we were looking at it somewhere around here. So for me, it's like, yeah, it hasn't done anything. It's great though. I'm not planning on selling, right? Whatever you guys give me in crypto stays in crypto. So I got to figure out how I'm going to do that chair. Because someone gave me an awesome tip yesterday. You don't see that trade in this chat, do you? Yeah, actually, he was here earlier, man. Look, someone did the coin tree, right? He's here, the coin tree. I'm kidding, man. So yeah, usually what you guys give me in crypto stays in crypto. I don't cash it out. But someone gave me a tip yesterday, an awesome tip yesterday, of $334 almost on Ethereum. I was on Terra that gave me that awesome tip. And he said that's for the chair, so I need to figure out when I'm going to cash it out for the chair. So that's going to be interesting and cool. Link, bearish divergence, moving down, nothing bullish right now. Neutral at 58.40. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour, high, higher, high, low, right? Bearish divergence, potential action to downside. Then we broke down. Great. They're great. I should get that one for the soundboard, right? The Tony Tiger going like they're great. How's so and so coin doing? They're great. I should just use that, man. Here we created some strong bullish divergence prior to that pump. I'm just going to highlight it because it's there. And no, why not? But here it's where I got to figure out whether or not we have something going on also. Right, low, high, low, high. Low, lower, low. Right, some hidden bullish. Against the RSI. You said your mother was a tree? That's crazy. I should also get the Trebek sound from Saturday Night Live. I like that one. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Where Sean Connery is always like, shock and Trebek. Neutral at 52.16. Nothing bearish right now on Link. Also nothing bullish. And if you can look at this, the way we've been looking at things, the way they happened, for me, it's just, more or less sideways motion and triangle forming here, right? Oh, wrong tool. There we go. There, and from here, it'll be going like this. I'm gonna get rid of this, but again, right? I'll be looking at this as a triangle. Symmetrical, right? So we're making lower highs, but also higher lows, and thus we're consolidating. And we might explode soonish. We're getting tightness at the Bollinger Band, so you look at that. They're starting to curve in here on the top and the bottom. So with that being said, that's it for Chainlink, right? I know, dude. I know what a dendra is. I was just messing around with you. You need to get this on Hadouken. Yeah, I know. I saw the other one earlier. I was actually looking at it. One quick second, guys. Someone's at the door. I'll be right back. I'm back. That was wife with the tea, and like I'm really not sure how I'm gonna drink the tea because I'm drinking like whiskey, and it's cold. So cold and hot are not gonna mix. Someone said something about the Hadouken, right? So let me see if I can find it here. There you go, right? I hope that works for you, man. You wanted that sound, you got that sound. Let's go to the 1 hour chart link. The whole thing about the Hadouken is like, I'm not sure where I'm gonna like use it, right? Or when I'm gonna use it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna find that one. There you go. Do you hold any physical metals? Yeah. I'm trying to find something. I'm trying to find something that I can make a joke out of. Dude, I can't find it. I'm holding a physical metal screwdriver right now. That's work for you. I have silver, man. But just messing around, dude. I have silver. I like numismatic as a hobby, so I also have some coins. So they're made out of metal, so they're worth something more than metal. So yeah. Anyways, let's keep rolling with this. Anyways, high, low, high, low, high, low, low, high, low, high, low, high. Really, nothing bullish or nothing bearish here short term. Right, strong bullish divergence here. Strong bullish divergence. For potential action to the upside. And that is precisely what we got. Action to the upside. Against the MACD only, not against the RSI. So I'm not seeing anything bearish here short term on this. Well, I'll do it from here to here, maybe. I'm assuming I noticed this last one. On this last bit. On this last bit. Just here, man, right? Strong bearish divergence. Potential action to downside. Need to hit that share goal? Yeah, I had to hit that share goal, dude. Like 300 and change off, dude. We'll see if we can hit it, maybe. Hopefully soonish. Get a better chair here on the stream. The whole thing about that goal for the chair is we don't know if that, like, I'm gonna try to find something within that range. From the recommendations that you guys have made out on the Discord. Again, we're gonna go with what you guys have recommended, and if I can find it, I'm gonna buy it. If not, I'm gonna have to up the goal a little bit more to complement the chair that you guys are recommending on the Discord. We'll see what I can find as a chair, right? But anyways, we'll go with something. I really don't want a super expensive chair, but you know, you guys said it's worth the bucks because it's gonna save my back. It's gonna make me do like 10,000 hour long streams. So we'll see how that works. Let's go to Neo. Neo at $22.50. What? What is that chair? Hugo Quaresma. It's a chair that's been in discussion on the Discord, man. See, people are saying that they care about my health, so they want me to get an expensive chair, man. But you know, we're gonna go with whatever we need. Yeah, it was in between the Arion or the steel case gesture. I think those are the two that were being those are the two that people I have the Tama chairs made out of wood. Those are the two that are being like thrown around on the Discord, man. Like I never considered in my life buying such an expensive chair. I had Arions before when I was working at Glencore, and they were comfy, but they were like an older version. Or it might have been the same version. They're like 10 years old. And I've used Herman Miller chairs before. Yeah, they're comfy, but I never bought one myself. I know they're expensive as hell, dude. Neutral, 51.37. Again, not a lot happening here, Neo. Let's go to the 4-hour high, low. Low, high. I mean, I do believe there's other things that can be bought prior to a chair. Or a super expensive chair. For example, a camera, right? I could get a better camera, like a mirrorless camera that I could do stream on 4K or better quality, and you'll be getting a lot better stuff here, dude. Dude, Tisa, thank you for the awesome tip, bro. Waiting for it to come through on the thing here, right?
Drinking whiskey too, bro. Hopes this helps with the new chair. THX for the analysis.
Thank you, bro. No worries, dude.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Thank you for that, man. You get 2 up for the awesome donation, man. Yeah. Thank you, Double B, man. I appreciate that. Got the chair donos coming, yeah. I get a standing desk instead. Dude, those are expensive also, man. Like, you know, I am upgrading stuff slowly. I really want to get like the best things, but like right now, what I want to get or what I've been getting is stuff that makes the stream better. So I got the stream deck that allows me to do these little things with the sounds, but also allows me to preset the scenes to where with one click of a button, like a lot of things move automatically, right? So I'll show you this real quick. So let's say I'm gonna be muted for a second, but I'll show you how this is gonna work. I'll put the bar here, and I'll bring this over here so you might be able to see. It's gonna switch scenes and it's gonna lower the music or up the music automatically. So I'm gonna go to the be right back and I'm gonna come back. But look at this, right? See how the music turns up and down automatically. It does put the Deadpool. It does bring other stuff up automatically also. It does many things for me at the push of a button that used to take me many clicks. So it does help improve how the stream rolls and the quality of the stream. So it saves me a lot of clicking and it makes everything run a little bit smoother. Now I can also put some like GIFs, animated GIFs that come out or whatever throughout the sounds. I'm gonna be able to do a voice equalizer so I can distort my voice and do cool stuff with that. I got this awesome mic. I need to get for reals, the things I really need is a better camera and better lighting. Right, but we did a poll and a lot of people said that I need a better chair. So that's why we went with the chair. There's a community-driven effort. But I'm using the Stream Elements wavelength that comes with the Elgato microphone, and I'm using the Stream Deck that's also from Elgato, and that helps me out with a lot of the things that I'm doing on the stream. I need better lights. I need a better camera, right? That would be like if it was up to me. I mean, this camera is okay, it's 1080p, but if I could get like a Canon camera with a better lens or a Sony camera with a better lens, that could really improve the quality of the image very much, and you will be able to see this image a lot better and I could put color correction on that, and you will be getting something like of super high quality, like if it was shot by like one of those like pre-made videos on YouTube with like really, really good quality. And that's something that I need to get. I'm gonna get a ticker that's gonna go back there that was basically given to us by Crypto Coin Display, and they're gonna hook me up with that. We're gonna get lighting for the background. That's also gonna improve the quality of what you see back there. Instead of getting the Christmas lights, you're gonna get something better at some point in time. Like the chair is like I think that's for me, right? It doesn't affect you. It just improves the quality of how I'm sitting, and basically everything that I've been spending on is things that make the stream of better quality to you guys, right? So I want you guys to get the better experience out of this, the better quality on the stream, and that's why I want to spend on things that are more towards you than towards me. So the chair, for me, it wasn't really that big of a thing, but you guys want it for that. But yeah, I know, dude. It's a webcam. It's as best as it can be. I even color corrected it. I can show you what it looks like without the color correction. And that's super easy, man. You're gonna see it like this is without the color correction, right? And this is with the color correction. See that? How I get a little bit better color there. So I need to find better things for the stream. And camera is one of those things that I want to do for reals. Someone's saying, Logan, when do you think Coinbase will open for trading for XRP? Andrew, yes, Dodge. I'm not sure if it's on. Yeah, it's on the list. It's actually after Neo, so I'm gonna do Neo and then Dodge. When Coinbase is gonna open up for trading XRP whenever the SEC declares what's gonna happen, right? Hey, Sam Bitcoin Algo Trading. Thank you for being here. Anyways, let's go to the 4 hour. High low. Again, we're looking for this divergence here. Right, hidden bearish, potential action downside, moving down, hitting that 20. Trying to take a pop here on the 4 hour chart. Again, I'm trying to not sidetrack a lot when I'm doing the charts, but you know, sometimes it's impossible. I get distracted too easy, I think. Here we had some strong bullish divergence before that pump, right? Don't have any of this against the RSI. Right now, neutral at 48.67. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. High, low, low. Are we going higher? Slightly higher. Yep. So, low to high. Right, so hidden bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. I think we might have it here against the RSI as well. 63.06, 63.72. So yeah, definitely going slightly higher. Hidden bearish, moving down on that. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower point. Nothing here, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Neutral at 48.17. That's it for Neo. Again, potential action to the downside. Let's see on the daily. Do we have fibs here? Yeah, we have fibs. We're below the 236 at 25.56, sitting at $22 and 53 cents. Let's see if we can manage to get above that area. That's it for Neo. Again, if we move down, might try to find some support here around 1821. Would seem to be an area that we hit quite a bit, right? So somewhere on here, we might find support. $18, right? I already did GRT earlier, man. I'll do it on a recap, Andrew. Let's move on to Doge. Doggy, where's Doge at, man? Thank you, Zion Bitcoin Trading. Algo Trading. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. And to that comment, I say...
Thank you very much.
Yo, let's go here on Dogecoin, dude. Again, pulling back. Great. Bearish engulfing candle. Yeah, means that party could be over. We're moving down on that. On the other side, we're bought at 63.50. Again, moving sideways right now. Let's see if we have something here on the 4 hour. Hidden bullish. That could try to save us, right? And party continuation. And, you know, we have this. Now we're moving sideways, but we're below that 20 and facing resistance. I want to listen to who? The fake group of Wall Street bets? Yeah, now everyone's going to be Wall Street bets, right? We're all Wall Street bets, man. Neutral at 50.30. Again, we had the bearish divergence, broke down on that, right? That's it, dude. Not a lot happening on Dodge right now. Just moving sideways on the hidden bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, we're hidden bullish to here. We move sideways. Guess what? We drop more. And what we created here? Oh no, we created some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Where do we go? The 20, and we're rejecting it. Not good, right? Not strong. When you have strong bullish divergence, you really are expecting to burst through that area, and we're not doing that. We don't have anything against the RSI still. Sideways motion, high to low, positive, high to low. Neutral at 42.71. That's it for Doge. Yos. Let's go to Yos. J-Raw Bread, or whatever your name is, dude. Where are you buying XRP? I'm in Mexico, dude. I can buy it on Bit, so I don't have any restrictions. But if you're in the US, you can probably buy it on Uphold. Uphold wallet still allows you to buy that. Is it a good time to invest a little in Doge? Dude, I wouldn't touch Doge with a broomstick or a 10 feet pole. I'm not into Dutch, dude. I've never been into Dutch, Todd. So for me, it's not a whether or not it's a good thing to get into it. It was pumped artificially. A lot of people are benefiting from that pump. Now we're seeing this crash. Could it come back to these levels? Yeah. Would you be wanting to buy and have this drop when it was artificially pumped? Yeah. Pedro Oliveira, I cannot tell you what to do with your money, dude. You gotta determine whether or not it's a good time to buy or not. I can tell you where the market's gonna go. We already did Neo, I think, was the last coin, and Tron we haven't done. It hasn't been requested, and I already have the queue full, so there's no more coins being requested right now. I already have 30 coins queued up. If anyone wants any other coin to be done besides what's already on the list that's floating up there, which I can do recaps for, right? It has to like be attached to a tip, because you know, once I do the 30 coins and the queue gets filled, that's that, right? That's the queue. So I don't do more than 30 coins. The only way additional coins get brought in, it's through tipping. But you know, I cannot tell you what to do with your money, bro. That's considered giving advice, and we cannot do that in this channel. I'm not a financial advisor, so. Did you look at new coin? No, it's not on the list, bro. No one put it through the formal request, Nancy. Yeah, we already did the graph, dude. You can do a recap. You can wait for a recap. I'm gonna recap at what? Yo, that's fine, dude. How long did I hold off XRP for? I held XRP for over 2 years, 2.5 years, almost 3 years, and I dumped it when the SEC news were coming out. So I'm happy I didn't buy back in, because right now it's not doing that good. I mean, it pumped today, but I'm out of XRP. I sold all my XRP bags, put them elsewhere that were giving me better profits. Anyways, I'm gonna do recap after Wi-Fi, right? So right now it's EOS, Uni, Phil, BMI, Wi-Fi, and then recap, and then we'll start with 1 inch XMR, Ave, and whatever's left. Anyways, that's it for Dodge. EOS. EOS on the daily. We had the bullish divergence, right? Look at that. Strong bullish, action to the upside, high low, positive, high low. Neutral at 54.03. So again, still on bullish divergence. We can still get a rally happening here. Maybe aim for that 382 at around $3.16. Let's go to the 4 hour. High higher, high lower. Some bearish divergence against the MACD. And that is what's putting pressure on this price to come down. Let's anchor this in the 4 hour. Low. And here we're down half against the RSR. We're going higher. Right now, bought at 61.99. So again, there's that possibility for the price to start coming down. Again, impulse up, we're flagging, right? So bearish divergence, we're flagging. That could get us continuation. So it's pretty good. Bring facts. I quit. What do you quit, dude? Oh, you quit trading right now? I'm not sure. Oh, you quit because I'm not holding XRP right now? I didn't get that, dude. Someone said, oh, I was busy getting tipsy. I'm still in GRT. Interesting. Good. I hope it's good for you. Don't forget to smash a like. Yeah, thank you, Stockmine, for that. If you guys like what we do, hit like the button on the sub, right? You're busy getting tipsy?
Fatality.
Not good, man. Not trading in that. You're bound to
Get wrecked.
You don't want to get wrecked. What's my favorite time for him to look at? Dude, crypto, that is really interesting question. I'll tell you that the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily are probably what I look at the most for crypto. But what I'm looking at, dude, look, if you keep spamming, you're not going to get my attention, bro. That's not the way to get attention here, bro. I'll go to the chat, with 3-4 times the same comment. It's not going to do it, bro. Favorite time to look at, if I'm doing stocks for day trading, I look at the 1 minute. But if I'm doing Swing trading, I want a bigger picture. So I want the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the daily, maybe the weekly. Depends on how long I'm planning to hold for on that day trade or on that swing trade, right? So hope that answers your question, man. You're trying to talk people out of crap coins. Interesting. Here we are, bought at 62.09, right? With bearish divergence. Flagging, that's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. High higher, possibly more positive, high higher. Then here went slightly higher still, and now we're creating bearish divergence on EOS. So from in here, slightly higher, right? Bearish divergence, strong action downside, hitting that 20, breaking below 20. That's not good. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there, set to our point, nothing bullish. Last thing we had, and this is bullish here, and I'm just noticing as I was about to move on to the next chart. Coming from high to low, right? Look at this. Negative, less negative. So we have slant, bearish divergence, slanted, strong bullish divergence within the same island, right? So good. With that, again, action to the upside. That's great. And right now, pulling back below that 20 again. You know, we're flagging on the 4 hour, so it's good. But we have a lot of bearish divergence. Bearish divergence on the 1 hour, bearish divergence on the 4 hour, and the daily is clear. So we'll see. Yeah, potential movement down coming in. Last thing we have on the daily, strong bullish. We could try to rally on that. We'll see what else, right? Again, upside at the 382. At 3.17, if we come down, we have support at the 20 at 272, and if we break that, 236 would be our target, and that's sitting at $2.64. Let's move to Uni. A lot of requests for Uni tonight, right? Yep. Also, guys, if you haven't done it yet, join us on Twitter. There we go. Uni at $19.38. We are very close to 3618. We're rejecting it. Uni's super bullish, nothing bearish on the daily. That's fine. Overbought at 81.72. That's the only thing that has me worried. It's highly overbought, but you know, when we're in a bull trend and we've gone parabolic, being overbought just means jack. It really does nothing for this, right? So from here to here, right? That's what I'm looking at. We could probably adjust this a little bit to suit the trend a little bit better. And something like this, right? It's just gone parabolic. I'm just highlighting the fact that it's gone parabolic. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. We had bearish divergence here, a strong bearish divergence. This gave us a small stall before taking a new pump, making more positive momentum, being higher on the RSI. So we don't have anything bearish here. Again, that bearish divergence got us down, hit that 20, found support, and pumped. So that's great, right? We probably call for target at the 20. Neutral, sorry, not neutral. We're bought at 75.60. And right now rejecting the 3618. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what we have there, right? Checking the chat real quick, making sure I'm not missing anything. Thank you all for being here again, guys, and for the awesome support that you give to this awesome channel. On the 1 hour chart, we have strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. That is it, dude. That's what I'm looking at, right? Look at this strong bearish divergence moving down, starting to move down. So right now, bought at 67.77. That's fine. Nothing else happening here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there, set to hard point. Nothing bullish. We're just having continuation of this hit bullish back here, and still managing to go on higher. So that's great for Uni. Again, we're still bullish. We're rejecting it at resistance. We might come down and hit that 20 and pump again, right? That's it. Nothing else super special happening for Uni. Still super bullish. Yep. Up next, Phil. Interessante. Interesting. And then from here, right? So medium bullish divergence, actually the opposite. That's what we're pumping right now. High, low, positive, less positive. High on the other side, lower point. Bought at 62.82. But again, it does have that medium bullish divergence fraction to the upside. So downstream and upstream. What's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Much appreciated.
What's up?
So that being that for this in the 1 hour, again, bullish divergence, medium action to the upside. Great. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sorry, the 4 hour. What's up with the 4 hour fill, dude? I think we looked at this in a while, so I don't think we looked at this ever. No, we have looked at this, but we didn't have anything. High, higher, positive, positive, high, higher, high, low. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI. Slightly lower, some hidden bullish here. On the 4 hour chart. Hidden bearish for potential action downside, and with that we went down slightly. I was trying to see here if we had it also, but we don't have it against the MACD, just against the RSI, right? And that's what's making us move sideways right now, hitting the support of 20, bouncing. So great. Like I said, on the 1 hour, had that bullish divergence, right? So this bounce here is on that bullish divergence from the 1 hour. Let's go on the daily. Ethereum is a true winner. Yes, it is. It is a winner. Had a low, plus it was positive. High on the RSI, had a lower point. That's fine. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish here. So it's doing good on the daily, right? Again, everything's happening on the 4 hour or the 1 hour because it's quite a young project. Let's go to BMI. We're looking at against wrapped Ethereum. Not a lot happening for it. It is pumping a little bit. And then it just had an insane crash. I'm not sure what's up with this project. We'll go to the 4 hour. Not a lot of data here on the 4 hour for BMI. And we're going to go to the... Dude, this is horrible. This is unchartable. It doesn't have any data anywhere. So whoever requested BMI, I cannot give you an opinion on it. Sorry about that, man. SC, one chart. On what, dude? For what project, SC? I'm not getting it, dude. You gotta tell me what project. You're just saying get out. I'm not sure I'm getting what you're talking about. Ethereum? What? All right, we'll look at Ethereum again on the recap. It's going to be right after Wi-Fi, which is the next coin. Well, we'll look at Graph also, so... Let's go to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Not sure which Wi-Fi chart we look at. I can't remember if it was Binance dollars. Nope, it's probably this one, the US dollar one. Yep. All right, so Wi-Fi. Last thing we had was that hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside. We're taking that pump, getting above the 20, which is really good. Heading for that 236 at $34,716. If we move down, target will be $28,986. I know it's a large channel, but that's where the fibs are at. We're neutral at 53.98. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. So high to low, high to low. Right, so I was looking from back here, see where we're at. So high to low, then low to high, low to high. Nothing bearish right now, so it can still go on with its bullish divergence that it had back here and be happy and merry. It's from the 1 hour, but from what I'm looking at here, it might also apply here. We'll see in a second. Stuff I forget the anchor last time, but send it where it belongs, and then here short term, right? Go lower. Anchor that in the 4 hour chart. Great. So strong bullish here also, right before with that rally. We had called it for the hidden one, for the strong one from back here. But within the same island, we also have it. And with that, we're getting that action to the upside. Nothing bearish right now on Wi-Fi. So neutral at 58.79. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We might have bearish divergence there. Double B is heading out. Dude, Double B, thank you for being here, man. That's cool, Brent. Not high, nothing bearish here, just this strong bearish divergence against the MACD. And RSR, we don't have it again. Potential fraction to the downside coming in, starting to move down. And short term, low, lower, negative, less negative. We had some strong bullish divergence here. From here to here. And from here to here. So on that note, strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside, taking the pop, strong bearish divergence. Starting to move down to that. Bought at 62.19. Nothing else bullish like being formed after that. So gotta wait for something to happen. That's it for Wi-Fi again. You know, if it comes down, the 20 will be a potential support at $31,046. We're not that far off. We're still coming down right now at $32,019. Bitcoin dumping. Oh my goodness, is it? We're actually gonna do recaps right now. Let's go to the Bitcoin at 33,800. Oh my God, it's dumping, dude. It's dumping by a whole 1% almost. 0.71. Come on, dude. A dump, really? At a 1% movement down? A 1% movement down, a dump does not make it. It's really not doing much since we last looked at it. I'm just going to go to the half hour, see if we have something there. Hunting for something. Nothing, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a higher point. Last thing we had is this hidden bullish divergence that almost made its target at the 20, and that's it, dude, right? Some people really get scared when it moves a little bit, dude. Whoever said Bitcoin's dumping, it's not dumping, Nicole Santoro. You're no better than that. It's still in the channel, 34,438 to 33,309. It's really not dumping, man. I mean, are you like overexposed? Are you using like 100 times leverage fraction to the upside or something that you're really worried about it moving 0.75% to the downside, man? It's crazy, man. That's very little movement to the downside, man. Come on. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI. Are we going lower now? Not really. So nothing still on Ethereum. 1,254 has not done a lot since we last looked at it. Up next, the graph, because, you know, Andrew requested it for a recap, so... The graph. A chupacabra told me Bitcoin is dumping. Interesting. The graph. The graph. The graph is pumping. Look, we're looking for bearish divergence to here. Guess what? We still have it up here. We'll still have it to here. And we still have it here. So we still have that strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Even though we're pumping, we're hitting our resistance, right? We said earlier, move to the upside, target 70.76. That was one of the moves, right? We're looking for that also here. I think we kind of killed it. So, yep, I think we might have gotten rid of it. 72.18 and 72.16. We still have it, but barely, man. It's just barely, dude. By a bald frog's hair, we're holding on to that. So nothing, right? It's just barely there, man. GRT is going to be nasty. About a year. Yeah. And on the daily, we still have this bearish divergence, right? So potential fraction of downside. It has bearish divergence strong on the daily, the 4 hour and the 1 hour near our resistance. So just be careful with that. And we did call for that move up here to test for resistance, and we hit it already. So thank you for that. Someone says no sound. There is sound, dude. I know there's sound. Thank you, Pedro Carancho. I think might not be sound on your end, but the mic's active. And I can see here that the mic is moving to the output. So thank you for that, man. Much appreciated. I'm not sure. Someone said XRP, someone said the graph is going to be nasty. That was one of the comments. Brent Posner said GRT is going to be nasty in about a year. Yeah, I know, dude. I know. I'm telling just, Pedro to check his audio. Mute button's not on. Thank you for trying to troll the channel. But thank you for being here as well. Yeah, I was reading Brent's comment. Thank you for letting me know that. I know. It's because they're Christmas lights. Spike Jones. Very, very awesome comment there. Whiskey, Pedro. Whiskey is my drink of election. To everyone that drinks whiskey, and to everyone that doesn't drink whiskey.
Get wrecked.
I'm kidding, dude. I never wish bad to anyone. I hope you guys are doing good with that. I know. No, I know my mute button's not on. I can see here it's still white, and I can see the mic output moving. So, see this thing here? When I talk, it moves. Also, this moves, right? That's a big cue that my audio is working. So, if it's not working on your end, it kind of sucks, but check it out, right? Yeah, it's cool, man. Thank you, Pedro. I figured problem was probably on your end because over here it's working out fine. Ooh, I like IPAs. I was not a big fan of IPAs, even though I brew my own beer. I never liked IPAs, and then I got into them, and I'm kind of like hooked, dude. I kind of like developed a taste for them. Why is there a mute button and not a not mute button? Because you unmute yourself. You assume you're on and you just gotta mute it. And here, XRP is gonna go to 70 cents on Monday. Yeah, dude, a lot of people talking about that. Thank you, J. Raw Bread. I don't think it's gonna go there. It might go there. I mean, it's being like a coordinated pump. Who knows, right? Already covered Uniswap. I can do it on a recap after I go through the next wave, which is going to be XMR, Aave, E-Gold, BQX, XLM, DVG. Sorry, 1 inch XMR, Aave, E-Gold, BQX, XLM, DVG, and Alpha. That's where we end. No worries, dude. I can recap it in a little bit, right? You know what, Todd? I never got into liquidity pools, man. Believe it or not. I might do it with the default. Look, we're getting pullback. Oh my goodness. I might do it with the vault, but I never really got into the liquidity pools, man. A lot of people have gotten good dough out of that. Just never gotten into it. Silver, yeah, man. I'll look at the markets when I do the last one because we didn't do markets yesterday. I shorted it to the markets, right? Oh, yeah, I didn't do the Ethereum, right? So you wanted to do Ethereum monthly on the recap because you said, it's a pump and dump. It's not really a pump and dump, dude. Right? Would you have said that Bitcoin's rally was a pump and dump? Look, Bitcoin pumping 46%. Ethereum is pumping how much? 83? I don't think it's a pump and dump. It's just catching up to Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin took off. Bitcoin had like 42%, 46%, and then still 16% on the monthly, right? It might actually be a green January, and a lot of people said Januaries are usually red. But look at the Ethereum, right? It's just catching up to Bitcoin. That's it. The name of the game is Bitcoin catch up. Alpha, we haven't done it. It's gonna be coin 28 or coin 30. Yeah, coin 30. So it's on this next block. Crypto K. It's gonna be the last one of this block. 1 inch going down. Oh my goodness, we're actually gonna do 1 inch right now. 1 inch. I can type. There we go. 1 inch. What is happening with 1 inch at $4.90? That is pumped up a lot. It even hit like $5, dude. $5.50, dude. That's crazy. Half inch. More like a 5-inch chubby right now, right? A 4-inch chubby. A lot of green candles. Going up higher. Overbought at 79.67. Let's go to the 4-hour. We're looking for bearish divergence here. Well, which you obviously didn't get. We're super bullish. Remember what I said? On a bull trend, bearish indicators don't tend to play out. Let's just keep on running, right? That's fine. Nothing bearish on the 4-hour. Just pulling back down because we were highly overbought at 86.82 on the RSI. Right now, still overbought at 76.77. We might have something on the 1-hour. We hit the 2.618. We're actually heading for that 3.618. Once we can get there, dude. 1-hour chart. Boomer might be really happy with his... Boomer must be really happy with his 1 inch. Who was it? John Doe. I'm not gonna be able to do dot today because I already got the queue covered, man. It's already we're already gonna be doing 30 coins. So yeah. What? Doubt the mic's doing something, dude. I haven't touched it, Jake. Mic's fine, dude. Look, I'm not even going into the reds because it's where I it hasn't even gained protect clip guard, so I cannot go into red, and my input always stays in the yellow, so that's fine. You're not. The mic's not the problem, bro. Yeah, I know. I'm just letting Jake know the mic's not the problem. Thanks, Hugo. Thanks, Brad. Bitcoin broke resistance. Did it break support or resistance, man? Awesome, beautiful. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate that. It took me a while to get my voice equalized properly. Actually, if I turn the equalizer off, I sound like a little girl. Joking. Ha ha ha. Kappa, not Kappa. Kappa.
Nope.
Is it raspy? Nope. Maybe. A little bit. I'm not sure. I haven't drank tea yet. Thank you, Crypto K. Is there a way to know what images show up with the different super chat donation amounts? Yeah, I can tell you. $5, I think you get Goku. $10 is Barney Legendary. $20 is Deadpool. Going like, and then $100 is like finish him from Mortal Kombat. So I haven't gotten more. I should get more. Thanks, man. This mic actually does wonders for my voice. Plus the equalizer that I set up also helps out in the click guard and everything I had to learn about audio. I didn't know anything about audio, and now I have a lot of things set up beautifully for the stream to be better. Oh, your 1 inch joke didn't land well. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Maybe if it was 2 inches, it would have been felt a little bit. Who knows, right? Donators. Yeah. What's that? Thanks, man. Cool. Anyways, yeah, if you guys want to support the community, the link, sorry, Jake just posted some links where you can go donate. There's Cointree, there's OneUpCoin, and there's Stream Elements if you want to tip with fiat. And they all help the stream and help me get better stuff for the stream. Thanks, man. Dude, that's what I need to get, the joke drum roll or whatever, right? Yeah, right? I need to get that one. That one. That's the sound I need to get for the stream. I'll download it later. And then whenever I do the joke, I'll just go. There we go, man. I'm not sure if you guys heard that, but I did. Yeah. Dislikers should be kicked out automatically. Maybe they should, man. I really don't have anything against dislikers, man. That's just fine. Everyone's entitled to dislike. It's done. It's added. That's quick. And now I can go like that. And you'll hear my jokes. Up? What? Thank you, man. Todd. Thank you, Todd. I really appreciate that, man. I really appreciate your comment, man. To you, I'll say...
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, Darkful. Let's keep rolling, dude. High higher, positive, more positive, high higher. Nothing bearish, dude. Coming down again on... No, overbought, dude. I'm not finding anything here. Even from back here. Do we have something from back here? I doubt it. Look at this, right? We're going much higher. And every time we're going higher. So it's good. It doesn't have anything bearish. Just getting pullback. A lot of pullback because it was just going up. Didn't pull back any time to consolidate any area. So might be coming to retest that 2618 at, and then, you know, the 1 inch. Seems like the 1 inch is shriveling a little bit. I like that. I'm going to be using that a lot now on the stream. Hope it doesn't get tiring. We don't need cancel culture. People should be allowed to have an opinion. Yeah, dude, I don't care, dude. Really, people can dislike. I hate that, dude. I hate that. People. Now that you're on that topic, I'll just do this real quick before I move on. People are like, oh, I don't like cancel culture. Like, people should be allowed to say their own thing. You go on Twitter, the first thing they do is when they don't like something is like block, right? It's like, what the that's like the biggest hypocrites ever, man. I don't do that. I don't block anyone. I don't mind if people come in here and challenge my ideas. That's the whole point of the community. The whole point of the community is like to be able to express yourself and like grow and understand other people's point of views and then try to come up with better points of views once you understand also their point of view. So if you just like come in here and it's like, this is it because that's what I said and I'm a dictator, then you know what? There's no community. And we do have a community here. Yeah, thanks, Todd. That's what I was looking for. But yeah, great stuff, dude. Dutch is dead.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
I hope that's sounding out a lot stronger now. So I did ump the volume on that. So and I forgot to monitor it on the way out. So I'm actually gonna do that real quick and see how it sounds again. Sorry about this. I'm gonna repeat it.
Yeah,
well, yeah, you can hear it.
That's just like your opinion, man.
It's all good. I have the volume much lower on my end, by the way, on music and everything. It could be louder. All right, we'll make it louder. The dude. Hope that's loud enough, dude. I'm not gonna make it much louder than that, but. You think XRP is gonna be Dogecoin?
Yeah.
Hopefully that's gonna be louder now. Let me know if that's louder.
Like your opinion, man.
Okay, I'll lower it down again. Dude, come on, guys. Like, some says it's lower, some says it's louder. I'll lower it down again, I guess. I thought it was fine, but, you know, I'll compromise. I'll go halfway from where I had it and where it's at now. Louder, louder. Dude, Todd, you just want to break someone's ears, man. Right, let's go to XMR, man. It's facts. Look at it. That's fine, man. I don't mind looking at it. I know you're not here for the music, dude. I know the music was louder. Now, I was monitoring the output, and the music's louder, man. See, when I was here and I put it here, it's a little bit louder, and my voice should be still coming through over the music. And here, I'm just listening to the music much lower, so I know what's playing and know when the music stops. So I have to monitor the music, but at a lower quality. And the music's from the system, the sound effects, right? Like the dude also come much lower on my end than your end, right? You're topped, I'm lower. So I just hear that the sound is going out, but I'm not listening to it at the same volume that you're receiving it on your end. So for me, it just lets me know that the things are working, but I'm not really listening to them on the same strength that you are. Otherwise, I would be going deaf on my end. Anyways, let's go here, man. And let's go on the daily. Bullish divergence, great. We pumped back into the channel, hit that 25% of the equidistant rising channel, breaking back down. Holding support at the 236 beautifully here on a hit. Retracing right now, moving down again. Nothing bearish, the strong bullish divergence on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. And here we're going high, slightly higher, more positive momentum, higher on the RSI, nothing bearish, coming back down. Maybe the 1 hour might have something. I'm not going to hunt for data here. Low, high, negative, less negative, or negative to positive, low, high. Neutral at 49.77. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Not sure what's going on there, man. Anyways, let's see what's happening here. We had some bearish divergence for the action to downside. Ooh, like we said, right? We're gonna find it on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. And there it is. Actually, I think you can get like some really cool equalizer mix for when I say bearish divergence. I'm playing out with something. I haven't quite gotten it to work properly though. That's why you're not seeing anything great in the stream yet. It's a voice changer, and it's gonna allow me to do very cool voices when I want to talk about bullish divergence or bearish divergence. Yeah, whatever. Hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, and we did pop a little bit. High, low, positive is positive, high, low. Again, nothing bearish here. Again, just moving sideways a little bit, and that's fine. You know, low, high, negative, less negative, low on there. Set the higher point neutral at 44.64. Low, high, low, high. Everything's good here. That's it. Just moving sideways, right? And that hidden bullish. Great. It's doing its job. That's it for Monero. Again, still on an upsloping channel above that 236. If we move up, we might find some resistance here whenever we hit this upsloping channel, equidistant rising channel, right? 0, 25%, 50%, 75, 100. And we're on that uptrend still, which is really good. You're just at the bottom of that uptrend. So let's go to Aave. Have I covered LRC? Dude, I don't think it was in the request for tonight, Todd. But thank you for asking. What's Kramer on CNBC? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's going on. I also need to get the whole Steward, like the I can do it myself, or look what I can do. I like that one from when like cryptos are failing, by the way. If you guys like the content here, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Best crypto community out there, man. 143 people watching still. 143 people strong, man. We are strong. And still going stronger. Like the Energizer Bunny. There you go. Thank you, drummer, for that. Let's go to Aave. Ah, cool. Kramer has stock show on CNBC. I didn't know that. Interesting. That's cool. I'm not sure who Kramer is. I don't watch CNBC, dude. I don't watch TV at all, actually. Alright, so I was looking here for divergence. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Nothing on divergence. Here on the 1 hour, even here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Low, high, low, high, low, high. High, higher, positive. Yeah, some divergence here. Slight. But it is here. Hidden bullish. For potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI. Neutral at 52.21. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Bullish on 12 inch. 1 inch, actually bearish right now.
Fatality.
It's gonna go down probably.
Get wrecked.
I'm kidding. It's probably not gonna go down. It might actually just go to the 3618 again. Right? I think that's where we're topping off. But you can go back and look at it. Right? Jim Cramer was telling everyone he sold his Bitcoin at 30K. Interesting. Cool, I guess. If I don't get a high horn, I'm not sure what the freak is a high horn, dude. Like a party horn, like the or whatever, dude. I'm not sure. What's a high horn? Auto flips.
What's up?
Never been here. I'm not even sure how this is gonna sound, but like this? That's a high porn for you, man? Let me know. I'm not sure. Trying to figure out what that is, right? Thank you, dude. PF, thank you for being here, man. No, I know which one you're talking about. I think it sounds like that one, right? Like this one? That's your high porn, I guess? That one didn't sound as good though, right? Alright, so like this one then. Nah, I'm not gonna do that many times. We'll see, dude. I'll find something off stream, dude. Right now, I gotta keep on going. Got a couple coins to cover still. Ave on the 4 hour. Great. Hit bullish. Moving up. Had the bearishness to here. It's playing off. Great. High higher. So let's go here. High higher and high lower, I think. Is it going lower? Slightly. So bearish divergence still hidden against the some price, right? So actually downside right now on that hidden bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh no, we had that hidden bullish. Let's go to daily then, I guess. Yep, still had bullish bearish divergence. We still have it, right? Again, like I said, it's going extremely bullish, so the bearish indicators have a chance of not playing out. Now even here in this short bit, we're creating that bearish divergence. So that's it, dude, right? Strong bearish divergence on the daily for Aave, but chance it might not play out, right? We'll see. Right, so I downloaded that air horn. Great, man. Now we're gonna have an air horn, I guess. Awesome. Gonna move on to the next coin. It's gotta be e-gold, right? But all right, I set it up. Awesome, dude. You're writing these trading beats? Awesome, dude. The ones that are in the background? Yeah, they're good, right? Awesome. Right. Waffle House going to the moon. Great, man. Haven't been in Waffle House in a long time. Let's go to E-Gold. Can't remember which one we've been looking at. I think it's this one, yeah. Again, remember when we said don't mind the bearish divergence because it's still super bullish? We'll still have that bearish divergence and it's still super bullish, so not really liking it. It did come down, hit that 20 and bounce, which is fine. Sitting at $66.93. So the bearish divergence is not playing out. Like I said, right? During bullish trends, bearish divergence has a lesser chance of playing out. I'm actually going to make this larger. We're still coming up slightly higher. This we played, right? It moved down slightly. Guess where it goes now? It goes to there. Same move, right? Same. This. Imagine I just dragged that onto there. I'm going to leave this here so we know we talked about it. And with this, we're looking for that bearish divergence. Strong fraction of the downside, right? From here to here. That would just track down from here to here. We don't have it against the RSI. We lost it, but we're bought at 67.37. We did move down slightly, so very nice. Again, hit that 20 already on that wick. Reverting. It's okay. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, higher, and we're making more positive, I think. Let's see. 885. 889, slightly higher, so more positive, higher and higher on the other side. Nothing bearish. Low, high, right? Some hidden bullish now. That's why we're recovering a little bit here. And with that, we're expecting to see that price action to the upside. And we are going up a little bit, right? So that's pretty cool. And negative, slightly more negative. So we also have it here, man. There we go. The beats and TAs, what you watch every night. And the Christmas lights. Thanks, Bitcoin Moth. Thank you for that, man. Yeah. I'm not sure what to say to that. I don't think I have any soundboard queued up to that. But thanks, man. Much appreciated. Grande hands. Yeah, great diver. Yeah, there's no... I think there was a Waffle House in Mexico. They closed it, I think. There used to be an IHOP, like within walking distance of my house, like 15-20 minute walk. They closed it. The nearest one now, it's like a half an hour drive, which really sucks. Not like I used to go there a lot, but every now and then I said, look, dude, I want to take the kids to IHOP, and I can't. Because it's just like, a long ride by car. And if there's like traffic in Mexico City, it's much longer. Gerald Innocent, thank you for being here. XRP on Monday. Yeah, a lot of people asking about that. It might get pumped. There's chatter going on about that. Not sure. Oh, I didn't see your AMC comment, dude. Isaiah. But it's Saturday. We can look at it tomorrow still, right? I closed the queues earlier. So last coin I have is Alpha. But if you want, you can come in tomorrow, ask me about AMC. We can look at it prior to the market opening, right? Tristanillo, Donut Train. Awesome, dude. Thank you for that. I'm just waiting for it to play out.
Hashtag donate rain. Let's go.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary. Challenge accepted.
Thank you for that, man. Much appreciated. Really, really appreciate that. Awesome. Tip, dude. Coin Lao, you're leaving? Thank you for being here, man. DVT is a pumping. Great. DVT is pumping. There we go, dude. Hype horn used properly. Let's check it out real quick, man. Yeah, we can, I'll write it, request it tomorrow early and I'll check it out, dude, for reals. AMC or whatever you want to look at. I left a swing position open on AMC, by the way, so I really have skin in the game and I really am going to be curious, but, post-market, I was still doing good. Gotta wait for pre-market on Monday still. So the aftermarket, I was good, right? Yes, yes for the horn. Awesome, it's there, man. Someone said DVT's a pumping. Yeah, 5.7, great. It's a doing good. 1.9, awesome. It was a 1.4 earlier. So going up 4% from negative something, right? It's insanely cool. Anyways, BQX up next. BQX. Firecoin at $2.83. What's it doing on the daily? We didn't have anything. We still have nothing. We do have strong bearish divergence against the RSI. What? Rejecting the 618. Tristanillo, dude, I really appreciate your intent of a donut train, but I don't think it took off, bro. Really, really appreciate that though. There's something here for you, bro. I'm not sure if I'm able to play it, but it's not working. Why is it not working? Let me look. That was not good. I can't find it. You went from 12 inch to no inch? That sucks. Should get more. What's that? SLV? Did I already close the request earlier, man? You know, you always have me playing when you're at the gym. Awesome, dude. Yeah, I hope you can follow along with the charts without looking at them. But thank you for that, man. I really appreciate that, Isaiah. Anyways, I'm gonna keep on going here. Bearish divergence, potential action to the downside, moving down slightly. Let's move on to the 4-hour chart. High higher, positive, more positive, high low. Again, against the RSI only. Strong bearish divergence on BQX, right? Let's get out of this on the daily. Let's go here to here and then here to here, right? So strong bearish divergence. Potential refraction to downside. Starting to move down, rejecting that 618 again. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What? Seamus! Seamus said, I'll replay it.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Okay, cool. I couldn't get it the first time.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Legendary. I'll give you 2 up. Particularly because you just Seamus on the name. Thank you for that, dude. Seamus is still here, sleeping it off. He's a little bit, drunken from his beer. But we still haven't gotten to the amounts where Seamus comes out to play, unfortunately. Yeah, you can dip for an asset. Yeah, correct. So since I closed the list and you want to request something that you want to, like, me to do an extra time, like overtime basically, in requested, right? Because you still have like BQX, BL, XLM, DGV, Alpha, and then markets to cover. So Bitdrops makes you want to sell stuff. That's crazy, man. Yeah, dude, why not? If that works for you, that floats your vote, man, right? That works, right? What do we have here, dude? Bearish divergence, strong against the RSI. A lot of the bearish divergence is against the RSI, not against the MACD, though. We might have it here against the MACD, and I think we do from one island to the next. Only possibility for action to downside. We already moved down, hit that 20, right? Found support, tried to take a pop, and we rejected that 618, right? On the bearish divergence. That's why we moved down. Now we're trying to reclaim that area, that support that we're finding here. Let's see if we can manage to do something with it. We don't have anything bullish, unfortunately. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the RSI to higher point. Neutral at 59. Let's move on to XLM. Oh, when your bit drops, you sold all your Bitcoin. Oh, that sucks, dude. Eagle targets in a long short term. Right, short term. I'm on BQX. All right, so I'll go back to eGold on a recap and talk about targets. Not sure what part of the stream you're at, but I already switched coins. But I'll go back to it on recap, right? All right, Todd, check out. I'm not sure, man. Small cap projects, you can probably buy a lot and try to buy something with that, right? And see what's gonna be there, man. All right, so you did talk about that earlier, man. So I'll go back to eGold. I have it right here, so why not? Was this the eGold that we're looking at? This is the eGold we're looking at, right? So I haven't fibbed this. Actually, throw some fibs out here real quick on the daily. They're not really gonna do us any good because we're making all-time highs. So right, we're in price discover mode. It can go as high as it can, right? There's really no target to the upside right now because we don't have history. And to the downside, I mean, we could find some support down here and a potential movement down. I'll do an Alt-H here. Maybe some support around $39. Seems that we rejected this area for a little bit. Held support there on the drop. Look at that, right? Beautiful support there on the drop, $40. So that could be a target to the downside. To the upside, we don't have anything, right? We're just on price discovery, so could keep on riding to the upside, right? We can do a reverse fibs, but they're not going to be working. I'll just go from this 100%. Drop it to low. This is not how you're supposed to fib, but on account that we don't have anything. $104, the 1618. That's what I'm looking at. I'm going to move on to XLM, right? So I just gave you an upside and a downside real quick. Stellar. How's the Stellar doing? Right. High low, positive, high low. Nothing bearish. Last thing we had is hidden bullish. Stellar at 31 cents. What? Let's go to the 4 hour. Strong bearish divergence on the short term, right? Look. High, higher high. I would really love it if Stellar was worth more than XRP. I mean, I don't have anything against XRP, but I do believe Stellar deserves to be worth more, particularly since they burned half their supply last year, right? So bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. Moving down, breaking below the 31.93 cent mark, and look, we held support there a couple times, right? So we faced resistance. We know it's a good target. We had it for a while, and then we're facing support. Now face resistance and reject it. So neutral at 59.13. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We have something here. Yeah, bearish divergence also here short term, right? High, slightly higher. High. High to low. And high to low, right? But then we're getting that action to downside. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, and there are set to a higher point. Neutral at 50.62. That is it for Stellar. Again, to the upside, we're looking at a retest of 31.93. And if we get above that area, the 236 will be a potential target. That being at around 35 cents. 30, let's catch this. 36.35. And then to the downside, if we manage to move down, we're going to have the 21st as resistance, right, to the upside at 31.62. 31.62. Yes, moving above there. 31.93 and then the higher point we called. So, and then to the downside, 29.83 would be support potentially. And that is what we have. Would XRP be able to touch $1? I'm not sure, trending tech, bro. It all depends on whether or not it gets artificially pumped by bad actors on Monday. That's what people are calling for, right? Let's pump XRP on Monday because, you know, it deserves to be at 70 cents. It deserves to be at 70 cents so I can sell off my bags on people that are unsuspecting and then make a lot of profit. And a lot of people can be there hurting, right? You know, I'm not sure why people want to pump it to 70 cents artificially. If it doesn't have the support for that level, all they're going to do is pump it up there. A lot of people are going to sell off and they're going to crash it back down. And people are going to be butthurt on XRP. I'm sorry about that, but that's going to be the technical term. Just people want to probably a lot of people want to offload their bags at 70 cents, right? That's what they're calling for a 70 cent pump because they want to offload there, right? Think about it. What?
Hello, what's your opinion on Loom Network? Seems underrated. Already went X3.
Sure, man. I'll do Loom right after the this one, XLM. So we just finished that. I was going to Loom. Thank you very much, Remy Holloman, for the €5, man. I really appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
To you, I'll also say,
Challenge accepted.
and I'll give you 2 1-ups for that awesome donation, man. Thank you very much for that. And let's go to Loom, I guess. So Loom, we've looked at this before here. Let's see how it's doing, dude. I'm not sure. Oh no, there we go. We had bearish divergence. We did move down on that, found support at the 20, hit that bounce. Great, getting above the 618. Again, right now we're trading between that 786 and the 618. Look how beautiful. We just hit it and rejected. So again, not doing that bad. Really checking out if we have divergence. So if we kept on tracking this, right? So from here to here, let's say, we're going up higher. And we are coming down lower. So we have bearish divergence, right? We didn't clear this bearish divergence. So potential action to the downside. We also managed to retain it against the RSI. So we're moving down to that. Moving down, found support at the 618, took a bounce. We're rejecting once more, but high to low, positive is positive, high to low. We're fine this time. We just bought at 62.37. So if it wants to go to the upside, it has to break above that 786 at 7.06 cents. And if it wants to go to the downside, it might try to find support again at 57.85. Those are targets to the upside and the downside for this project. I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart, see what we can find there. High, low, positive is positive, high on the RSI, lower point, nothing bearish. Do we have something bullish? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, nothing bullish, nothing bearish. You could still be running off this hidden bullish here. We had it here, pump, rejected the 618, then we dropped more. Still manufactured this bullish divergence. We also had it against the RSI by then, right? So from here to here. And with that action to the upside, hidden bullish, pumped on that. Again, a rejection happening. We created bearish divergence back here. That could be what's driving the market down here on Loom. I hope I'm... I caught myself. See, it's not. There you go. The other one is because it was there before, but you know, we're coming from high to low. So bearish divergence, strong for potential action to the downside. We also have it against the RSI. And on that note is the reason that we're moving down on this. And right now we're moving sideways. So it's fine. Nothing bullish, nothing short-term, nothing bullish. Waiting for this to develop a little bit more neutral at 54.56. Again, same targets, upside and downside, right? Whatever this is, 70.5. Yeah, 7.05. And 5.76. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right, so the short term, there's some strong bullish divergence. I was trying to gauge against the RSI. We're going to have it lower, and then negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence. We also have it against the RSI. It's just very slight. 36.97, 37, right? Slightly higher. Strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside. We took that pop, but rejecting that 76. Unfortunately, we don't have anything bearish. It's just we're hitting an area of resistance and we're rejecting it. Came back down, hitting that 20. We're going to try to rally again. We're about to get a cross in MACD under the signal line that could get us to make negative momentum. But negative momentum could have us hit the 20 moving average, which again could give us a position where we could try to pump again. Maybe if we drop a little bit more, but not to this low, but maybe here around the 6.4 area, we could be creating some hidden bullish for another rally. But at least that's what I'm seeing here, dude. Yields from the year 2134. There, crypto art on that part over there. Yeah, I'm thinking I like the Boondock Saints a lot. Like I would say that I until 2 years ago, I used to watch that movie religiously at least one time a year. And I have a kind of like boarded poster, yeah, like a wooden poster board to a glue with like very nice epoxy on it from the Boondock Saints, and I love that movie. I would actually have that hanging there. all this is going to get moved at some point in time, right? So all this is going to get moved sideways. I'm going to put the lighting on the wall. Gotta try to get better decoration going on. But right now, this is part, like this place here, like this is storage, dude. Like right here, it's a lot of stuff that it's from storage. Back here, I have a small grow house with a lot of plants. And back, like right here is a closet. So this is a storage room that I adapted to be an office and my awesome studio. If you don't believe I have an actual grow house going on here, look, I'll show you. There we go, grow house, right? A lot of plants growing there, a lot of pepper plants. And we're back here again. So a lot of pepper plants, man. None of them have peppers right now. 2 of them have peppers right now. The rest are still growing and doing good. One of my plants is kind of dying a little bit off because that was a hydroponic experiment on a cracky method. I think that's done its cycle, but I can't get it to grow back up again, and that kind of sucks. I think that plant's just completely gone by now. Yeah, dude, Pablo Jr., I do go back to Bitcoin often, dude. Every time we do a recap, I go back to Bitcoin. Anyways, that's it for Loom, right? I'm done with this project. Thank you very much, Remy, for the tip. I do hope that the analysis does help. Again, we're in a channel. The upside, we're looking at the 786. Downside, the 618, right? 57 or 5.7, sorry, and then 7.0. Thank you very much for your awesome donation, bro. I really appreciate it. Let's go to DGB. Like, I actually opened the show with the Bitcoin, and then every 5 to 7 coins, I tend to go back to it. But we'll see, right? DGB to the dollar, man. Where's it at? Dude, I hate this chart. It's not that I hate it. I kind of hate it because it looks horrible, but, you know. To here, we had that hidden divergence. Selection to the upside. Then we created some strong bullish divergence here on this last bit. Against the MACD, but not against the RSI. We got that very nice pop, high, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish. Neutral at 54, sorry, 0.21. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. You have a need for the cowbell solo. Right, dude, I'll give you the hype horn just because, you know, you're here. Pablo Jr. Yeah, no problem, man. I'm not taking any disrespect. Thank you for the comment, dude. I'll try to go to Bitcoin more often, but look, last time I went to it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins ago, 7 coins ago, I looked at Bitcoin. And right now, after DGV, I just have alpha, and after alpha, I'll look at Bitcoin again, so. Come on, guys. Now you're asking for lot. Bubuzela? Dude, Bubuzelas are annoying. Low, high, positive, more positive, high on there, set to hard point, nothing bearish. Low, high, negative. Less negative. Low, high on the other side, nothing on the 4-hour, man. Again, not that I don't want to do DGV, it's just a freaking horrible chart with a lot of gaps. High, higher, high. It does have strong bearish divergence over here. Usually I don't like charts that have a lot of gaps. So, there we go. Strong bearish divergence section downside, right? Low, lower, right? Some strong bullish divergence developing from here to here within the island, right? Low, lower, low. Then negative, less negative. We don't have it against RSI. Neutral 41.33. Strong bullish divergence might give us an action to the upside, and with that, we could be looking at a target of 2.9 cents. What's going on with silver? Crypto Cat Lover. We're actually going to look at silver right after when I get into the markets, right? So after alpha and then recap, and then we'll do silver. Alpha. What?
Thanks for your analysis. Appreciate it. Smiley face.
Dude, Remy, thank you so much for the tip, bro.
Say it with me.
Legendary. Appreciate that, dude, for that. I'll give you 3 more 1-ups, bro. For reals, man. 5 1-ups for the awesome tip. I really appreciate it, bro. Thank you very much for that. And I'll also give you a hype horn because someone was asking for it, so there we go. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Todd, wow, silver's up. I'm gonna go check it out, man. Now we go alpha, right? I forgot the ticket. Right, so let's get the show started on the daily. Dude, it's gone parabolic. Again, nothing I can do here. More positive, higher on the RSI. Well, from way back here, right? From way back here. We're mighty low. But again, I wouldn't put a lot of weight on this because it's just going insanely high. The only thing I can tell you for this project is watch out for the pullback, right? It's going to be nasty if we get pullback here. Because it's going to buy like, I would say a couple 100% probably. Just from the looks of this. Look, I'll go from here to here. Like 6,640%. That's insane, dude. You made 66 times your dough on this project. Watch out for pullback, right? It just took off a little while ago. It was still around 16 cents, which again would put you at 1,200 times your dough. So 1,600%. So 120 plus times your dough. What? Hype horn? Oh, hype horn. No, dude. Not that. Thomas Lab. Dude, I already closed requests for the night. Thank you for asking for sand, though. I really appreciate it. If you want to, like, you can come in tomorrow and I'll check out sand. I really appreciate that, man. VIP Wolf. Thank you. Can we look at Uniswap? Sure, man. I'll do Uniswap because we already did it earlier. And there's going to be a recap. So you got to wait. Like after this, I'll do recaps. So, right. But Tom is laugh. Sorry, bro. I mean, yeah. The only way like coins get queued now. Look, I have a list. Right. I got a list I go through. And I set up 30 coins for the stream. So after the 30 coins are done, the only way like things either skip the queue or get more coins get added after 30 is if they like come with a tip. I like don't like asking for tips. But if you want to like, you know, hook me up with a tip for me to do a project that you're interested in, that'll be fine. I mean, for me, it's like overtime, right? After 30 coins, I'm like a little bit burned out. I just want to like chill a little bit by then. So that's why usually if you see the stream, I start going really good. Then but towards the end, I start like, you know, goofing off a little bit on the chat and like hanging out a little bit more. Because I need to like, you know, rest a little bit from looking at charts too much. So I've been looking at charts already for a couple hours. So, but yeah, you know, let's finish alpha. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, low. Against the RSI, strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside, starting to come down a little bit on that. So that is fine for alpha. Again, bearish divergence, section downside. We want to go to that 20 at 1.84. And on that note, let's go to the 1 hour. I'm not going to call targets to the outside. Again, this thing doesn't have any kind of, I cannot fib it. So it's just, who knows where it's going to go, right? High, higher. Here we have strong bearish divergence also. For potential action to the downside, we're actually moving down, but not a lot. So again, this project is super bullish. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out during the bull market or during bullish trends. So there's a chance this might not even play, but bearish divergence moving down, low or negative, less negative, low, high, and then we're going low, high, negative. So yeah, nothing bullish right now, just this bearish divergence. And I don't think I'm missing anything here for alpha, dude. I'm sorry, dude. That's it, alpha done. Let's go recaps. My longest stream is over 4 hours, bro. I'm not sure I'm gonna be here for over 4 hours. I've been live for like probably 3 hours and 19 minutes, dude. And we've gone through a lot of stuff already, so. Because right now, the only thing I'm going to be doing is just recapping and chilling out. So recapping doing the markets, because in the markets I want to do silver, but that's the last bit I do. And when I do markets, I just do gold, silver, a couple of the main stock markets, and then oil. I usually don't do those on Saturdays because the market's not open, but I didn't do them yesterday, so I'm going to do them tonight. So Uni, sure. Uni's going to go on the recap. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP to see where it's at. I don't think anything else has been recapped yet or asked for recap, so Uni. Yeah, that's going to be it, right? 4 coins for the recap. Let's go here. Bitcoin. I'm not even gonna search for it. It's at the top. It's the first coin I have here. So go to the top. There we go. The Bitcoin at 33,700. More or less where we're at, right? We're really not dropping out a lot on the 30-minute. We're looking for some kind of divergence. We still have it, right? It just goes from here to here. You know what? I'll leave this one here, and then short term, I'll say we're doing strong bullish divergence. I'll go with that. Low, lower on the half-hour chart here for Bitcoin. Negative, less negative. Then low to slightly higher point here on the RSI, so low to high. There we go. So with that, I'm looking at strong bullish divergence starting to develop. See if we can get a pump. Maybe hit that 30, that 20. See where we go there, man. Hit the hype horn. There we go, man. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. If you guys are here and you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, guys. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. You also, if you haven't done it yet, go check out Bitcoin Jake's channel. He has a really, really cool channel where he talks about top 10 subreddits. And Jake's always here helping me out with the channel. So if you guys want to do him a solid also, go check him out. Go give him a sub. Go give him a like. And he does awesome work also with this top 10 subreddit. It's almost daily, so go check it out. What? Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin. That's where we're at right now. Remove this. Sure, Gadget. We'll talk about it in a second. Let me go Ethereum. Ethereum at 1,355 again, more or less where we were left off, so it hasn't really done much. We started the stream here at 9. So the 1 hour. We started the stream here at 9. Right, we've gone down a little bit, but we're pulling back up. Maybe we're at slow when we started, so we haven't done a lot with Ethereum. At 1,355, when we recapped, it was there, so not a lot going on. Let's go to XRP. XRP at 42 cents. Again, more or less where we were at. Hidden bullish divergence, right? Coming into play, pumping it up a little bit. That is awesome for XRP. You know, what we were expecting to see with the hidden bullish. I was really hoping to get a hit at the 20, and I called for it. We didn't get it. We created the hidden bullish. Moving up with it, that's fine. That was, you know, the possibilities. GRT, the graph's also in the request. So, the graph. There we go, man. Oh, we were looking for something bearish. It pumped more. We still have this. Let me just zoom in. Oh my goodness, we're checking it off. We still barely have it. This is 0.0071. This 0.072, 73. It's pumping, dude. It's getting rid of it. It's getting rid of the divergence, man. It's going higher, and it's there, man. It's shaking it off, dude. No longer it has bearish divergence. It's just going above that 70.76. That's pretty good, man. You know, the phase resistance there on the 30-minute, we can see that we rejected. Now this last 30-minute chart, or last 30-minute candle, we went up. And now we're holding support. So the graph is still doing amazing, right? Great stuff for the graph. Treetop Go saying GRT is following Avis track almost exactly. That is pretty cool, man. Interesting, Drog 96 Strix. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. I don't think I've seen you here before. To you, I'll say, because I've never seen you here before. But thank you for being here. If you guys like what we do, again, hit the like button and sub, right? My tea's gone cold. I wonder why. No joke. Really, my tea's gone cold. My wife gave it to me like about an hour ago. It's been sitting here because I had the whiskey, but if you didn't catch that joke, my tea's gone cold. I wonder why. You know that song with whatever that girl was that sang it with Eminem? Yeah, pretty cool, right? Dido or whatever her name was. Put a cover on it. I did. I just covered that song. And you're here. Nothing bearish here on the graph. So let's move on. Up next for recap, Uni. Dude, what's Uni doing? I can't remember. What do we call for Uni? At $19. It's moving down. Oh my goodness, it has bearish divergence. Did we not do Uni earlier? We did. Oh, it's a 30-minute. That's why. The 1 hour had bearish divergence at a resistance. Oh my goodness, it's moving down. We knew that could happen. And now we have a hidden bullish. Which we didn't have earlier, remember? Because we weren't on this hour candle when we did it. And with this, the move I'm calling for is from here to here, right? Hidden bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside, or at least stalling to go here. Yeah, Dido, great, man. I got it. I got it, man. Bid drop or buy or sell. I'm not sure. You can do whatever you want, dude. Let the music be your guide. Isn't that another song? Yeah, it's from Arion. She has no Arion, but it's from the Human Equation album. If you don't like Arion, I'm not sure, but it's like a rock opera. There's this guy named Arjen Lucassen who goes around the world, collects the best musicians for a couple of varieties, mainly metal. And he comes out with this awesome group that's called Arion, and every year, or every time they do it, it's a different one. And one of them is the Human Equation. I think that's the one I like the most from their albums. It's pretty cool. Anyways, that's it for Uni, dude. Again, hidden bullish being developed. Great. Now let's go to markets. A lot of people wondering about silver. I'm not sure if I have silver live here, but we'll go with SLV. Nope. Nope. Where's silver? Silver dollar reserve. No. I have an XAU, but I think that's off for the weekend. We'll check it out, though. If you have another silver ticker that you want me to look at, let me know. But this market close, right? So gold on the daily was starting to go up a little bit. West B, what? Yo, bro.
Thanks for sharing your insight on your streams.
Dude, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, bro. Legendary. Thank you very much for that awesome tip, dude. I really appreciate that. You're gonna get like 5 1-ups, bro. Thank you very much for that, dude. And you also get the king to thank you.
Thank you very much.
Awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that. We got 50 tips, dude. Now my drinking buddy comes out and he sits on my shoulder, right? Here we go, Seamus. Time to get in the show. Great, man. He has a beer. Holy cow, yeah, I know. That was very nice, dude. Thank you very much, Wes. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. And what did I do? High point? I'm not sure, dude. More insane. Like, thank you very much for the awesome donation, dude. I really appreciate that. See, there you go. Wes B. Thank you for the awesome 50 on Super Chat there. I really appreciate that. Paul D, keep the stream going. What? What's a good MACD for Bitcoin? The MACD, the regular MACD for Bitcoin. Best crypto to buy right now. I cannot give you advice, unfortunately. You can decide by yourself, Abby. But thank you for that. What else? I think time people realize they need silver and gold. It'll be gone. Yeah, dude, where are you looking at silver live? Because the one I have, like gold, you know, it went up, hit that 20, rejected. That's fine. Sitting at $1,846 per troy ounce. The amount of silver, it's different, right? I have it at 26.98 because the market's close. If you're looking at a silver live, let me know. Probably can look at Kidco. It might give me a price. but it is above that 20 and it's fine. High to low, positive is positive, high low. We don't have anything bearish on silver. And again, at $26.98 per troy ounce. Again, if you don't know what a troy ounce is, it's a little bit different than your regular ounces. Silver in growing, says buy Soar coin. Interesting. SLV and I trust. Awesome. Let me see if I can find it here. I knew it was SLV, but I'm not sure if I'm going to find it here, man. Silver dollar reso. iShares. You're saying that it's what? I trust. Can you tell me how you find it here, or what you look at for here, man? Because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find it. And there's a lot of SLB out here, man. So if you can tell me how you find it on TradingView, like what you type on TradingView to find that one, I'll check it out. Live Spolk got silver. Yeah, here we go. Does it have silver spot? No, it's actually a silver fix. So, Montara, the thing you read was false. What thing I read, dude? Something I read was false? Let me know, Montara. I'm interested because you've been an awesome supporter of this channel. So I really appreciate your input. I'm not sure if you're talking to me with that. No, not me, Mr. Reed. Okay, cool. Thanks, man. Thanks for the clarification. I really appreciate that. So silver, man. I'll go to silver, see where it's at on Kitco. You know what? Screw this. It's not the one I wanted to look at. LNBA. London Bullion Market Association. I can't remember if it's a .com or that's something. Silver, $27.41. That's the fix for London, not the live price, but that's probably their PM price. Can I go to the prices? Not sure if you guys give me the tables. Here we go. Maybe here. No. I can't remember where the price is at. I haven't been here on this website in a little bit. I think it's this one. Yeah, here it is. I don't want gold. I want silver, and I want the table. Daily's fine. Again, take me to silver. There we go. So, yeah, the settlement price on the 29th, so that was 2 days ago, $27.41. But right now, it seems on the live, I'm not sure if this comes from COMEX, it's just IDC. But this one's $26, a little bit below London, right? And I trust London more because when I was doing trading for metals, commodities, London was the ruling one. So we always settled basis London, either London Bullion Market Association or the LME, which is the London Metal Exchange, right? So those are the ones I usually trust for prices. So silver is interesting. You can buy it on a couple of places, right? Yeah, you can buy the physical, and if you can actually get your hands on silver, like real silver, it's better, right? Because then you're actually holding real silver on your house, on your hands. Not just like, some weird silver on an exchange somewhere that's, kapoof someday. So buy real silver. Yeah, but look, you can buy the shares, that's fine. But if you can get your hands on some real silver, do that. It's better, man. So on that note, someone said iShares Silver Trust. Right, I'll check that out. See if I can find that here. Oh, here we go, man. Oh, this is the first one, dude. Let me bring that up where I have my silver, and we'll see where it's at. If you think silver is gonna go up and it's gonna do good, I would also be considering buying silver companies that produce silver, right? There's a lot of companies, Canadian companies that have mining operations around the world, junior mining Canadian companies, that a lot of their projects are silver and gold based. So if you believe that silver is going to go up, you might want to look at those companies as well, right? Yeah, that is correct. You should have silver on hand. I agree with you in that. Anyways, here's the $24.99 on iShares Silver Trust, and also this is closed. So market closed. 24. I'm not seeing it at 27 like you were saying, but on the London Bullion Market Association, I can see it higher, right? Why the buzz around silver? Apparently Wall Street Bet said that they were gonna, get silver to go to $1,000, which is not the proper value for silver. Proper value for silver would be around maybe $100, maybe $200. Silver has had a relationship with gold up to like the 1990s. 1900s, where it was almost a 10-to-1 ratio, right? So gold was 10 times the value of silver. After that, for some reason, gold took off on speculative value and silver was left behind. So a lot of people are saying that silver should be worth a lot more. Yeah, but in reality, 9-to-1, yeah, close enough, 10-to-1, 9-to-1. Thank you, Grateful Crypto, for that 9-to-1 ratio. But yeah, 9-to-1, 10-to-1. So in the olden times, it used to be that. So yep. After the gold standard and everything broke, the parity of silver to gold went kaput, and it's no longer a 9-to-1 or 10-to-1 ratio. And so they're saying that silver is highly undervalued. And I do believe silver is highly undervalued. It should be the 9-to-1 to 10-to-1 ratio against gold. Let's see. You think silver is highly manipulated? I think silver is highly depreciated. The interpreted Californian. Silver should be worth a lot more. You bought 5 pounds of silver last year? Interesting. Good for you, man. I have a lot of old silver coins, like US silver coins, like Walking Liberties or Barber dollars that are pretty good. Oh, Bernardo Costa, you want 1 inch? We'll recap it for you, man. Let me finish the markets, though. What? The moon is coming in here to yeah, thank you, Nightbot. You caught that. That was weird. Super Analyst. Awesome. Thank you for coming here for Super Analyst. And Petro like the currency? Dude, I'm not taking requests right now. I'm done for. That's a fake account. I know, Paul D. I know. They're like promoting some weird stuff. Silver coins and silver bars. I have silver coins, not silver bars. Coins I find are easier to transport than bars. And you can transport them in lesser quantities. With and again, coins hold a minting value also, so they could also be a collectible item for numismatic collectors. I have coins that are minted in silver that are from mines that I used to work with. They used to hook me up with like minting with silver coins that they were minted from silver extracted from their mines that have very, very little circulation value. Like they've never been circulated. They're basically encased in like a plastic thing, and they just have had them forever, man. And there's like very, very few of them. So like it's pretty cool to have some of those like 1 ounce silver coins that don't do anything. You bought a 3 kilo bar. Do you weight it, Michael? And have you had it tested to make sure it's real silver? That'll be interesting, right? Thus, silver jewelry could be a profitable way of getting silver instead of bars. Yeah, I mean, it really depends. Jewelry, it's more expensive because it has a process that it goes through, right? And all that crafting that it makes it worth a little bit more. But if you have to like smelt it and sell it at face value, it loses all that extra value that you're trying to get with silver, right? So that goes, you know, kaputs. So it's just basically worth its weight in just weight in gold. Let's say it's weight in cash. If you were to smelt it and use it as silver. So jewelry, well, fine. If you're in a position where you need to sell it and they want to take it as face value for silver, you're just going to sell it for the silver content on it. If you have a silver bar that is 99.9%, 99.9999% silver, you're probably going to be better off. 1 kilo? Let's do that, man. So I'm using a factor to convert a kilo to troy ounces, and that's going to give you 32.15 ounces of silver, and just times that its current value, which according to London Bullion Market Association was around 27 let's check it, 27.41. $181 for a bar of the size that you want, a kilo bar, at current value of market value. Anyways, SLV, right? Not seeing anything here. Rather look at the silver chart. It's a little bit better. This is actual silver. Dow Jones down 620 points. Oh my goodness, we had broken below the 20. Knew it was a possibility. Great. Low. Ooh, low high. Hidden bullish here. Oh no, the music stopped. Why? I'm gonna have to replay it again. New playlist coming up. Right, so that's this here. And then here we're going from here to here. So it has some hidden bullish divergence for initial action to the upside on the Dow, which is pretty cool, I guess. And all the RSI we also have it here. So on that note, that is it for the Dow. The US 30, also 615 points on the closing. Let's go S&P. S&P, low, high, negative, less negative, or negative, more negative, hidden bullish also. No matter if I go from here to here, that's still the same thing. And from here to here. And here. To here, it's all the same, right? Top of the morning to ya! Nice leprechaun. Thank you, Name 7. Thank you for being here. Spot price in silver? You get here at the LVMA, right? 27.41. They're 43 cents. So again, that bullish divergence in Dow. Let's go to London. Down 50 points. Still have that hidden bullish. Great. UK 500 again. Yeah, you know. There we go. And there we go, right? Now we no longer have divergence. Awesome. So the UK, the FTSE 100. There we go. Nikkei. We're looking for this hidden bullish. We still have it there. What?
Thanks for the stream. GTG to work. You're underrated as well. Cheers.
Thank you, Remy. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
I'm here every day, man. At 9 p.m. Central, US, and then I go until like 1 in the morning, so 15 more minutes. Thank you guys for being here also, and I'll give you 2 1-ups, man. Thank you very much for that. And
Thank you very much.
And Elvis, thank you, right? With the leprechaun. Thank you very much for the awesome euros, man. 5 euros. Buying silver is the best way to destroy banks? Maybe. I mean, why would... Look, even though people hate banks, they still have a use case, right? So... Without banks, how are you going to get credit? Right? So credit's still good. Credit's not the devil if you use it properly. 122.93, 121, so slightly less. Higher, slightly less, and also lower. So we just have this hidden divergence here against the RSI. That's it for the Toronto, dude. Do we had something on Toronto? No. Lower, negative, more negative. Low on the RSI, lower point. Sold at 38.59. West Texas. 52 per barrel. You can go here on Oanda and buy oil, right? You had the hidden divergence, taking that small pop, and on Brent oil, we're seeing the same thing, right? This just goes to here. And, you know, have that hidden bullish divergence. Let's see if we can manage to get it to go higher. Brent oil is just at $55, and West Texas is at $52.73. Great. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Thank you, Ed Vergara, for the awesome comment, man. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, there we go. I know, well, I know people that mine, so I can get kilos directly from the mine sometimes, which is pretty cool. Or from small refiners that I know from what I do. I've been working on for a long time, so interesting stuff, right? Wixie to $1 by mid-February. Interesting. Yeah, I can also get it that spot value or lower than spot value sometimes, depending on the quality I can get. But it's interesting. I like silver. Talk about GME. Yeah, you can probably get it at a good price, man. But sometimes the silver that they get, depending on how they get it, it's a little bit more expensive. Like if they get silver chains, they've been processed, right? The silver has to be turned into a wire. So all that really puts a little bit of extra value onto the process, the chain process of producing that silver good. So if you can get it raw or closer to raw, it's better. Spike Jones, did you live? 5 Live. I'm back under a new name. Well, thank you for being here, man. I appreciate that. To you, I'll say, what's up? Again. Oh, dude. 5 Ash, now Spike Jones. I feel raped by AG. Like the company AG. Like Pan American. No, it wasn't not Pan American. First Majestic or whatever AG is. First Majestic. I actually have the card of the CEO of First Majestic. Business card. When I used to trade with him back in the day. By his production. It's pretty cool. Paul D, you think Mexico might be your next location? Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I just saw that, dude, real quick, right? Silver AG. Alright. Yeah, Michael Mike, interesting, right? I have some of those. Whoever's requesting GME, dude, we're gonna do it tomorrow, dude. No more requests for tonight. And I'm like just hanging out and chilling for a little bit before I actually end the stream. But thank you all for being here. I appreciate you. Uni's dumping. Let's go check out Uni. Because we did that one, so I'm just gonna recap it, right? Oh my goodness, where is Uni at? 18.53. It's not really a hard dump, is it? Had bearish divergence. We're looking for the hidden bullish. Look at that, man. Would you look at that? It went down and hit that friggin' 20, right? Spot on the 20. Look at that. The 20 is at 18.34. The lowest point we hit is 18.33. Like sent off. We still have hidden bullish divergence at a support. Yeah, that's fine. You can still drop more and still have hidden bullish. Remember, hidden divergences are the crazy thing where they can still go dropping all the way there, make a lot more negative momentum. But right now, I wouldn't be that worried. It's actually holdings to support. If it breaks the 20, yeah, you could be a little bit more worried, but for me, it's fine right now. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Thank you for joining us tonight for this awesome stream at the State of Crypto. I appreciate you all and the support that you give to this awesome community by being here with your time and your patronage with the tips, which are friggin' amazing. I really appreciate everyone. And, thank you for being here. Yeah, that's fine, man. I mean, I'm not sure when you got into uni, but I mean, if you got up here, yeah, for sure. You're like losing your marbles. But if you got down here, when you had plenty of times to get in at this level, so why you're losing your marbles, dude? You're getting a really good area of value back here. If you're buying up here, you're highly overbought, you're bearish divergence, you have a lot of things going on against it. It's for a potential buy this area. It could still pump at the 20 and go higher, but I mean, it's in a super bull trend. We already established that. I'm just not super excited for it right now. Dutch pumping, spiky laggy. That looks like something I can do with this. Spiky laggy. There we go, man. Dutch a pumping. Let's go check out Dutch. Is XRP still moving up? Yeah, 43. Great. It's moving up a little bit. Still below. Oh, I just went there on the daily. Sorry, let's go on the 4 hour. Yeah, still in this area. That's fine. Has a hidden bullish. Could still go up a little bit more. Let's do TSMP Slip Melon on Twitch. Never been here. I'm not taking any more requests for the night, man. I've been live for about 3 hours and change. I'm burned out. I'm just chilling right now, having a good time, reading the comments, catching up with people. Casper, Sinaloa, Culiacan. Awesome, dude. Thanks for being here. Appreciate that. Spike Jones. They're giving you tracers. I'm not sure what tracers are. Are those good things or bad things? Are they putting you in a trance? They are Christmas lights. They are going a little bit fast right now. Sorry, man. I need to get better lighting for the background. I know. That's what's one of the goals. So lighting's going to be up next after the chair, right? Up the music game. What do you mean up the music game? I cannot up the music game. I can only play copyright-free music. Otherwise, I get, copyright. And all the revenue that I get goes to their, big houses. No copyright strikes on this channel. I can only play copyright-free music. So I'm not sure why you want to up the game music, man. Up the music game. So I'm not sure what you want with that. I can only play whatever I can find that is copyright-free, and I'm just not going to get me in trouble with anyone. Mix in and let users add to you for free. I'm not sure what you mean, Spike Jones. What do you mean by that? Yeah, I'm not sure what you meant. Thanks for letting me know. Let me know on the Discord what you mean by that. So we'll check it out. I got a friend who's a producer. He does a lot of music on studios. He's gonna hook me up with some tracks probably. So copyright free stuff that we can do. That's pretty good, Edward. That's interesting. Check out the value. Sometimes they're worth more than the silver weight on them. If particularly they're minted in a specific year or they have a specific mistake, they could be worth a lot more. So interesting for you, man. Numismatic stuff, it's cool. I'm about to finish the stream, guys, in a couple minutes. So thank you all for being here. I appreciate everyone that has come here tonight and has shown awesome support with your views, with your likes, with your time, with your awesome donations. I appreciate everyone. So thank you for the awesome support. Jake's still here? Thank you for being here, Jake. Dude, I thought you were gone, dude. I was talking about your YouTube channel earlier. I'm not sure if you posted it or not. Thank you for being here, man. I'm waiting for Wes B super chat to finish running through because I want to be kind to him for the awesome $50 that he gave. So I think it's almost out of timer. So we might be chilling here until that happens, dude. You're half asleep, exhausted. Yeah, dude, I feel the same. I did sleep a little bit better than tonight. My wife did hook me up with taking care of the kids earlier, so that was pretty good. Huddle Jake. How's that for waking you up? Thank you guys for being here again. Appreciate everyone. Paulie, no, you must stay. It's only my morning, dude. It's my night. Where to get oil shares, bro, before you leave? Oh, yeah, sure. Go to, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to buy them there, but go to, oh, where is it, dude? Go to IDC or Oanda. On Oanda, you might be able to buy some stuff with oil. Just check it out there, right? THC vape oil is all you need. Oh, dude, Jake probably knows about that a little bit. Yo, guys, this is gonna be it for tonight. Thank you all for being here. I've been live for almost 4 hours. 3 hours and 55 minutes. It's awesome being here, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate all the support you give to this channel, helping me grow, helping me get this community going. To everyone here, I'll say you this. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Grow goatee. I'm not sure, man. I was thinking about doing the monkey tail, but I don't think it's gonna look good. Let's go 5 hours. No way, man. I can't do 5 hours tonight. If I started at 8, maybe, but starting at 9, for me, it's like 1 in the morning, dude. I guess I gotta go with the wife, watch something on Netflix, and hang out. So my kids are gonna wake up at 9 in the morning, 8 in the morning. I gotta take care of them tomorrow. Rat tail, yeah. Thank you all for being here again. This is the Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is the Crypto. Again, this is all for entertainment and education purposes only. But for real, so if you talk to your friends, your family, and coworkers, get them to join us here. You're gonna be building a community with people that are already your friends, and that's gonna be coolest than anything else. Again, thank you for joining me tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.